Good morning, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream, guys. Today is Monday, October 10th. I can't believe I'm saying that right now. October 10th, guys. Can you believe that? It is already, oh man, we're already 2 months away from December, which is nuts to think, guys. So anyways, guys, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys, so you join the family. Really appreciate you all very, very much. And that way, if you guys get notified when we're live, we are live every single day, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, if you're new, guys, not doing, you're missing out, but just want to welcome you to the channel and the family. So we're gonna get started shortly, guys. We're just waiting for a couple people to join in, but not only that, guys, I am going to just update the video description. In the meantime, guys, if you guys are new, introduce yourselves, guys. Don't be shy. Let me know where you're joining us from. I know that we have people from all over the world. We have people from Morocco, people from South Africa, Ghana. We've got people from Australia. We've got people from UK, people from Canada, all over the world. So just let me know where you guys are joining us from. It's always pretty cool hearing like where everyone is joining us from. So let's get it, guys. We've got our matcha tea as always. You guys know what's good. Yeah, so just bear with me. We're gonna start shortly, guys. Our gold trade went exactly as predicted. We were, however, waiting for a little bit of a stronger pullback, but I did explain to the group, yes, last night when we had our live stream pre-London sesh, I told them, I said, guys, there could be a chance where it's really, really bearish and it could actually probably not do the pullback that I'm expecting it to do. So you know, that does happen with price, and so it's something that you just have to be aware of, guys. And as traders, we have to make sure that, you know, we look at all possible chances. The good thing is we did get about 56 pips profit, and overnight pretty much it melted over 100, and I think it was 190 pips. So pretty crazy stuff. Really, really cool. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Let's smash that like button. Let's go. Let's smash that like button, guys, if you enjoy these live streams. Let's go. Hey, we got Siraj, welcome, my friend. We've got Crazy Guy, welcome, my guy. We got, I'm quite early. Yes, we are early, and yes, you are early, my friend. All right, guys, perfect. We got a couple more people joining in. I'm just gonna let our Telegram group as well know, and we should be good, guys, and we'll get started. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna begin shortly. Welcome for all the members that are just joining us in right now. Let's get it, guys. Remember, I want you guys to remember something. It is bank holidays today, guys. So what does that mean? Excuse me. It means essentially that you know, the banks will be closed, so it's advised that probably price won't be moving as much as we'd like it to. Probably not as much volume, and if price were to do something, you have to be very, very like cautious, because sometimes price could do its own thing. So either way, guys, it's okay. We have pre-London tonight. We've got tomorrow morning again. We're here live every day. So the most important thing is we can draw up everything, our charts, and kind of see everything, what we can expect, right? We want to plan our trades a little bit ahead and just kind of see what we can expect. Okay, guys, we're going to begin. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. We've got a couple more members just joining in just now. Suraj, is gold good for shorts? No, I don't think it is now at this point. I do want to analyze it as it is right now, but right now, as we sit, even on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we're getting some sort of pullback for sure. And in fact, if we get a pullback to this level of structure, then we can look for a nice continuation to the downside potentially. But again, I really want to see what we can expect. Overall picture for gold is sells, because you can see it's pretty much completed what I expected it to do. But at this point, we do need some sort of an exhaustion. We are also at a major level of structure, so I do expect price to react at this level. So yeah, we'll see what ends up happening, guys. To be honest, we'll see if gold ends up rejecting this level of structure or respecting it, or pushing through it. But I do think overall bias is that gold has a lot more room to the downside for now. Just so you guys can see here on the daily, look how bearish the gold is. Look at this line, look at this trend line I drew here, right? Look at my trend line, right? So overall, just expecting gold sells as it sits for now, my overall bias. And like I said, I expect gold to probably continue to go down further, probably retest these lows. I don't think it's going to retest today, but within the next few days, we could expect gold to come down to these lows around 1627, and you know, further on during the week, probably around the 1526, before it actually starts kind of pushing back up, because this would be the next kind of major level area. We're in a downwards trend until we don't break above this level of structure here, at least around this area of about 1732. We're not looking for buys, guys. You know what I mean? Obviously, we can look for buys in the short term, which I will let you know either way. But you guys have to understand kind of the overall bigger picture, because if you don't understand that, what's going to happen is you're getting in on counter trend trades, and then you're wondering why price starts pulling back on you. And so you just got to make sure that, you know what I mean, you trade with caution. Should have held gold. No, gold went, and I mentioned in the live stream too, guys, I was like, you know, I'm taking my profits, but my overall bias is it's probably going to pull back. I did say it was going to pull back, and continue to go down further. However, I always mention this because it's very, very true, and this does happen with price. Is I did mention we got a slight pullback, just not as high as I would have liked to, but that's okay, because what happens is, and I mentioned this yesterday, is that sometimes price is so bearish that it'll just pierce through below. It's pretty cool how it went in our favor. It just sucks that, you know what I mean, like same thing with me. So don't feel bad, guys. Like I took my profits at 56 pips last night, right around here, right? So I knew, and I mentioned this in the previous lesson, I knew it was going to go down because I had this key level marked off, and look at my arrows, right? Like my overall bias was down. So it is what it is. You know what I mean? Like as a trader, I can't contemplate and regret. I'm telling you that because I've learned this so much, guys. I'm actually going to share with you guys a book that I've learned so much, which is Trading in the Zone. I'm going to put the link in my in the video description to that book. But that really helped me with my psychology and trading and just being overall patient, guys. You know what I mean? Like that's really, really important for you guys to be patient, and also to learn to you know, trade with confidence. You know what I mean? You know, it is what it is, right? So okay, let's move on. We're gonna look at USD JPY. Where are we with USD JPY? This is a complete mess right now, so I'm gonna clear the charts and show you guys kind of what we can expect. Overall, I'm still expecting USD JPY to potentially come back down, so we're gonna go up to the higher time frames, kind of mark all my levels off, and then that way you guys can learn as well too, to see how I see the markets, right? So yeah, like I mentioned, what I saw here was basically an ascending wedge pattern formation. Okay, obviously, like everyone sees things differently. This is how I saw it. It's pretty clear, pretty evident. Give me one sec here. This is kind of like the top level of structure where price struggled to break above. Okay, and then this is kind of the ascending wedge pattern. You could probably see it. It's kind of like a wedge, triangle, whatever you want to call it. You could see how price started here, pushed up, came back down, pushed up, came back down, pushed up, and then it started kind of narrowing up and pushing up. But if you notice, price every time it came up, every time price came up to this level of structure, what happened? It rejected it. So we had a heavy resistance level here, so that was a major level of structure. But the funny enough, if you look at the lower part of this ascending wedge, is look at the high, the lows, right? It kept creating new highs. So this is higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This was news, by the way, so fake out, higher low, higher low. Price came back down, and this was what we thought. Okay, this is it. We're probably getting a break of structure, and we're looking to go to the downside, but it was a fake out as well. So let me point these fake outs out. So this to be is a fake out, okay, guys? And then we failed to just on the retest. We failed to reject this level. So when price came down, we waited for that retest, and we were expecting price to reject this level of structure. As traders, this is what we were expecting, a rejection of this level of structure for a continuation to the downside. Over here, sorry. Right? And we didn't get that. We actually got the contrary. We actually got price to come back up and finally break above this level of structure. However, what did I say? Let's wait for the retest and a continuation to the upside. And so price went exactly as we thought it would. However, right now I'm expecting price to come back down potentially, because we have been getting a nice strong momentum move. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4-hour bullish candles. So I'm expecting some sort of an exhaustion, guys. I need price to come back down to at least this level of structure, and then we can get a super nice entry, guys, a really clean entry. At least price to come down to this level. It doesn't have to come back down to the lower level where it broke out of, but at least some sort of an exhaustion. We could see the wick right here. So we already got price to come back down, but I'm expecting it to come back down a little bit more, and then that way we can get a nice clean entry on USD JPY. Do you see how I'm highlighting that there? We got that strong momentum push, waiting for that pullback. This is the 4-hour time frame. Then we can narrow it down to the 1 hour, 30 minute, and just kind of understand where price is currently at for USD JPY. If you look at this, guys, I don't see any sense of bullishness in this at all, other than the fact that price has pushed above with strong momentum. We could see that strong momentum push. We've got that pullback pretty much at the level that I wanted to, and we are getting that reaction here. So I mean, you know, at this point we could see price come back down. So it's not the most ideal trade setup I'd like to be in, if that makes sense, you know what I mean? But for sure, anything for USD JPY above this level, we're looking for buy setups. So that'll be a confirmation. I'm not just saying, hey, this level, if it goes up or it goes down, that's 100% what's going to happen, or I'm going to follow where price goes. No, the reason why I'm saying that is because this is how we break out of this range, right? So we're kind of in a range right now, essentially, and anything below this level would kind of be sell setups, but that would be sell for the pullback. So it'd probably come down here. It's probably not a huge range, and then we expect price to respect that level, right? Reject this area zone here, right? And hold this level of support for a continuation back up overall. That's the idea, right? If it breaks below here. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at, guys, for USD JPY. You guys understanding that? If you guys are, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does help the channel, and it helps me to continue doing live streams just like I do this every single day. So I really appreciate the support, appreciate the love, guys. So yeah, feel free to also comment, guys. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. Let's go. You guys know I read every single comment, so I really appreciate you all very much. We've got Tom Brooks. It's okay. I took $5 profits. Don't regret, or the FOMO will get you. That is correct. As traders, we have to understand that we can't be contemplating on regret, on contemplating on price, or you know what I mean, complaining at the markets, because you know the only person that you should be blaming is yourself for getting into a trade impulsively. And I'm not talking about you guys. I'm talking about just how to look at the markets. Is yourself, because you know, as traders, we have to trade without emotion, if that makes sense, right? And I know that you're probably like, damn, like, what are you talking about? Like, how can we trade without our emotions? You know what I mean? Well, the thing is if you trade with emotions, you're going to be attached to all of our decisions that we make as people. If you notice, when they're based off emotions and not our mind, we unfortunately mess up. unfortunately, right? I mean, unless it's like true love, that's the only way where maybe, you know what I mean, things go and it's meant to be. But most of the time, the rational decisions that we take in our lives, and that could be literally anything, guys. It could be saying something to our loved ones that might hurt them. It could be literally, going down the street and you accidentally get into a discussion with someone, or someone just is rude to you and you kind of go back off emotions. You're like, hey, what, you know what I mean? I'm not personally like that, but you know what I mean? Some people may react that way and be like, hey man, this person cut me off, whatever, you know what I mean? When we act by emotions, unfortunately, our emotions may trigger not the response we'd like. And unfortunately, that can backfire on us heavily. But when we react with our mind, guys, this is fire, by the way, guys. Start taking mad notes here. When we react with our minds, okay, it's crazy, because when we take decisions where we think back and we say, okay, I'm going to think with a cold mind, and I'm going to start thinking with my feet on the floor. What am I doing? Where am I? Where am I going? Or why should I react a certain way? So there's so many ways you can go about it, guys. But yeah, so that's kind of my best advice. Don't get into a trade just because it looks juicy and it looks like it's going sells or whatever. Like I told you guys yesterday, I took my 56 pips. Guys, 56 pips on a Sunday night. Just like that, on gold. You know what I mean? Would have liked 154 pips? Of course. I would have loved it. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? So you move on. But when you get into the FOMO, you're screwed. Trust me, you get into this vicious cycle, and do not do that, guys. Anyways, let's continue on. We've got a couple of new members just joining in, guys. Welcome. Appreciate you guys very, very much. Like that button for me, guys. I appreciate if you smash that like button, and also join the family, guys. If you're just joining in, make sure always to hit that all notifications, hit that little notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. And let's continue on here. We've got Antwi here from Ghana. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Couple more people, guys. Let me know where you're joining us from. Don't be shy. We've had some people from all over the world join us. That's amazing. Okay, let's continue on, guys. Let's take a look at AUD USD. Yeah, I just got the dry cough left, so I'm feeling much, much better. But obviously the dry cough has taken some time to go. Okay, so what are we looking at for AUD USD? So I was looking at sells. Previous live stream, as you guys could see my arrows, I had everything kind of lined up. And you can see that price has come to the level where we actually pointed out where price would start pulling back. I just want to see maybe what I was seeing, because it's always good to understand why I thought price was going to stop. And you can see that, yeah, so it is a major level of support. So obviously I had that in mind. You can see that on the daily, on the 4-hour. Not only that, guys, we were ranging for quite some time, okay, on AUD USD. So you could see that price was what? Ranging up and down within this range. And what do we look for in a range, guys? You guys know this because I've taught you guys this before in the past. So when we're in a range, guys, we're looking for what are we looking for, guys? I'm gonna drink a little bit more of my matcha tea here in the meantime. I want to see if you guys have learned what I've taught you. Let me know in the chat box below. What do we look for when we're in a breakout, or when the market is oh my gosh, I just gave it away. When the market is in a ranging market or consolidating, you're looking for a breakout. That was a complete fail to that. I should have done a poll. That'd be sick. Hey, you guys gotta try matcha tea, bro. Like at least once in life. You guys gotta try the matcha tea, because this stuff is potent, man. It's so good. Sunil, yes, Sunil, breakout. Excellent. I like it. Okay, so let's continue on, guys. So we are always looking for a breakout. What do you guys see? What are we looking at here, guys? Look at this. Let's go. This is straight fire, guys. Remember, and between us, and I'm gonna keep this between us, guys. The more simplified you keep trading, the more success you will see. Okay, obviously, and I will mention this, everyone has a different edge, right? Some people like the way I trade. I have my way of trading, You know what I mean? Some people might not like the way I trade because they look at the markets differently. Maybe they use a bunch of indicators. Maybe they have a certain strategy already in place, and that's fine because everyone is different in the way that they do it. And that's why I say stick with one group. Like, for example, I'd love to have you guys here. By the way, for those that are new or just joining in, you know, I'd love to have you guys a part of the family. But what I'm saying is stick with your person, find your person, stick with one person that you're seeing success with, and grind it out, guys. I'm telling you, because when I first started, it was so much information out there, and you get one information from here. This person looks at the charts this way, that other person looks at your charts that way, and you're gonna get confused. Okay? You do not want to get confused, guys. You don't want to overcomplicate things. That's why I teach this. And basically, even on my YouTube banner, it's literally, I put it there, trading simplified. I want to simplify it as much as possible to you guys. So you guys can look at the markets and be like, damn, I remember Pedro did mention price was going to break this level, or I'm looking at price. And then eventually you guys are able to do it on your own, which in turn will be a blessing for you guys and your families. Guys, my whole objective is to be able to give back. I'm telling you, when I found out about trading 6 years ago, and I really got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and altcoins and all that type of, I invested heavily, guys, like Shiba Inu. I went heavy, which was a complete gamble, by the way. It's on Shiba Inu. Me and the wife, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I've got a miner right behind my iMac. I literally have a miner, a helium miner, guys. Like, I still have all that type of stuff. I have, what was the brand? I can't remember the brand. Anyways, I've got like 2 brand new miners in box. Like, they're just there, stored. Reason why, because Helium Project, unfortunately, just kind of went down. And I think it's just because of the overall market. That's my theory. Some people just stop believing in it. But anyways, what it is just consistency, guys, looking at not stopping, right? And so I went and I learned and all that type of stuff. But be careful where you get your information from, okay, guys? Always be careful, because you never know. So let's continue on here. We've got Anna. Hey, Anna. Hey, guys. Happy week. Welcome. Okay, so what did we see, guys? We saw AUD USD break. We got a breakout of structure. Price was ranging for quite some time. This is a 4-hour time frame, by the way, guys. So this is quite significant. If we get a break of this structure, that's pretty darn significant, telling us basically that we can expect price to potentially continue to go down further. So you guys can see my arrows here. I had this set up since last night, since our last live stream, and I was expecting price to come down to this level, stop, and then come back up and retest. However, we have to kind of overall monitor and see what price does. Like I said, you know what I mean? We do have a bank holiday. So right now volume is, you know what I mean? It's 7:25 a.m., but we're not getting really the volume that we'd like. And that's okay. But we'll keep monitoring this. I'll let you guys know in the Telegram group if I see anything. And then in the meantime, guys, I can expect price to come back up. We want to wait for a retest, guys. I'm telling you, it's really important to wait for a retest. Even if price comes up a little bit and then melts, it's better to wait and be like, okay, price comes back up, than to risk it around here or wherever. If, let's say, price comes around here and I see like heavy bearish sentiment, and it didn't come quite to this high over here, but it came to this level here and we see heavy wick rejections, then I would say, okay, guys, you know what, right now overall, you know, kind of price action right now is looking super bearish. I might start looking for entries, set our stops above this level of structure, and then we can start looking for a continuation to the downside. The problem is that if you get in here, this is way too early, price goes against you an X amount of pips, and then you're screwed, right? If you look on sells here and you're like, well, I know it's going to go down anyways, we're talking about a 67 pip range, guys. That's a lot. I wouldn't even put the pip of my stop loss that far out. And sometimes, quite frankly, I don't even put a stop loss, guys. You know what I mean? Because I usually kind of know where not that I know, because no one knows, but I usually kind of understand, like, okay, this is what I'm expecting price to do. Be careful. Obviously, I trade with caution. I always kind of recommend if you put the stop loss, it's better. But sometimes I don't. You know what I mean? Depends on the broker. They'll probably, like, you know, sometimes price might wick you out, and so to avoid that is to not put a stop loss. But again, that's once you get more confident, guys. Once you get more confident in your strategy, once you get more confident with trading, then you can start doing things like that. But in the meantime, you know, if you guys are just starting out, do not do that. That's not financial advice, because you have to always you know, manage your risk, guys. You know what I mean? And you got to be smart with that. And I want you guys to be successful. My whole objective of that is for you guys to have success in trading. Okay. Okay, let's continue on, guys. I'm going to read here the chats, and then we'll go on to the charts again. Okay. So we've got Chin2. We've got, hey, just subscribed. Hey, brother, welcome. Thank you so much. Appreciate having you in the family. Welcome to the familia. Hey, we've got Chetan. What's going on, brother? Good morning. Good morning. Antawi, hey, let's go. Simplicity is key. That is correct. I'm all about simplicity. Tom Brooks breakout. Yes, that's right, Tom. You got it. Okay, so let's continue on. So what I'm expecting, right, within, now that we know that this range is quite significant, we need to wait. It is what it is, and I know it's probably not what you guys want to hear, but I want you guys, I'd much rather you guys be in a winning trade and be happy than to be in a losing trade. Okay, so we have to wait, guys. Let's wait for price to come up to this level of structure. And like I said, if price happens to just melt all of a sudden and you miss this entry, that is okay. There's a billion, and I mean a billion different trade opportunities every single day in the markets, guys. Every single day. So just remember that whenever you miss an opportunity, do not FOMO. Remember, your psychology is almost 80 to 90% of the time in terms of your overall success in trading, you know what I mean, is linked to your trading psychology, right? And so I teach this a lot with you guys, you know what I mean? I tell you guys kind of how to react, you know what I mean? How to look at approach the markets, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. So we're looking for a pullback. I will keep you guys in the loop either way on the Telegram group if I do see something, and then we'll go from there, or when we go live. Okay, guys, what happened here? Last night we mentioned what? I mentioned that potentially price, and I didn't put the arrows because I completely forgot, but if you go back in our live stream, you'll see what I'm telling you. We were looking for a breakout. Price was ranging for quite some time, and we were expecting a breakout actually to the upside because this is a major level of structure down here. And not only that, we already came to the lows, right? So, I mean, we were expecting a breakout. Could have been both ways, but we got a breakout to the upside. So if we look at GBP AUD, excuse me, 30, we've got 15 and 30 minute. We got a nice break and retest of GBP AUD. My overall bias, just by looking at it as it sits, guys, to be honest, at this point for GBP AUD is actually a nice bullish sentiment. Right now would be actually a good entry for GBP AUD buys. Just want to look at the higher time frames before I do anything here. So we are in a range, essentially. So we've come down to the bottom of the range and we're slightly pushing up. However, we do have to trade with caution, guys, and you know what I mean, manage our risk. Because look at the 4 hour. Excuse me. I'm doing much better, but the cough is a dry cough. It is what it is. Okay, so we've got so look at the 4 hours. So the 4 hours is not really convincing me that well, but again, that really doesn't, it's kind of irrelevant at this point. The problem is that sometimes price could pull back even lower, and that's what I wouldn't want to happen. So sometimes you could get like a wick. Let me clear the charts here for you, and I'm gonna take this highlighted area off. And just give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna read the comments in a bit. I'm just trying to mark everything off. Do you see that now? Do you see how much clearer that is? Right? So the range, essentially, the bottom of the range is right here. So now do you see how price could potentially still come down a little bit less, a little bit more, right? So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let me pull my fib and see. Not that the fib is like a magic thing, a magic wand or something. But yeah, see, like 0.618, 0.50, we've got the push from the highs to the lows, from the lows to the highs. And so, you know, 0.618 is literally on my structure level here, which I have pointed out, right? So to be completely honest, I think probably New York Open, we can probably expect price to react at this level here. So I'm expecting not buys right now, but for price to come down to these lows, and then we can start looking for buys. I'll keep you guys in the loop though. If we're still live, guys, this is a nice potential trade setup. But again, right, remember, we do have holidays. We are in bank holidays today, so we're holidays here in Canada too. So, but this is my overall bias, guys. Okay, for GBP AUD. This is what we can expect. We can start looking for potential buys of this level structure. That's 175 pip move, 30-minute time frame. We can set our stops at about, you could do even 35 pips. Stop, and there you go, guys. There's a nice, good potential trade setup there.
as it sits. Even I would probably just target the highs over here, and that in itself, just targeting the highs, because like I feel like price could come back up here, because that would be kind of closer to the high of the range on the higher time frame. But I think price will probably, safe bet, we could probably take our profits around this level, which is about exactly 90 pips. Okay, so that's a really nice trade. 2.5 risk reward ratio, and again, I'm putting a nice thicker stop loss, but I'd probably put it a little bit less, like 25 pips, and that's about a 3.5 risk reward ratio, guys. Really clean trade setup. Let's wait for price and see what it ends up doing, guys. We'll see. Okay, let's continue on, guys. Smash that like button if you understood that explanation and you enjoyed that explanation and you're learning, guys. Make sure you destroy that like button for me. Okay, let's continue on here. Joe Bonds, he's like, hey, do you usually get on online at a particular time? What time is exactly? I want to set my alarm so I don't miss again. No worries, brother. I always put it on. It's all over kind of my YouTube channel here. We are live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So wherever you are, just make sure you can literally go on Google and put your local time and just put 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time versus your local time. It'll tell you what time it is for you wherever you are, okay? And then that way you can join us. Tom Brooks, let's go. How do you deal with the desire to be in a trade? Again, that's what I'm saying. It was probably one of the biggest things that really took some time. The biggest advice that I could give you is to basically look at trading as look at it as not FOMOing in, and look at it as there's so many opportunities in the markets. Once you understand that, I know you might be like, yeah, Pedro, it's easy to say that, but what, you know what I mean, or whatever the case is. But really, once you you jump over that mentality of, frick, I just missed this opportunity, whatever, there's going to be, and I'm telling you because this has happened to me so many times, this is how I got over it, there's going to be a billion opportunities in the market. There's trillions of dollars in the currency exchange market, guys, in the Forex market, every single day, traded every single day. And so this is not going anywhere unless there's an entire collapse, but I don't even think, you know what I mean, that would be the case. But gold's not going anywhere, guys. You know what I mean? All these different companies aren't going anywhere. So the thing is, you have to understand that basically there's multiple opportunities in the markets. You will have multiple opportunities. Every week is a new week. Every day is a new day. And so once you understand that and you're like, it's okay, I missed it, on to the next, don't think about it. Don't contemplate back. And the problem is, when I first started, I was always look back and be like, damn, man, that would have been an easy 100 pips, this and that. I could have flipped my account. I could have done this. When you start changing your thought process that way, and you say, for example, like this is a great example, guys. Gold, I was expecting gold to come down here. And you guys could literally go back to yesterday's live stream, zoom in a little bit, kind of, I don't know where exactly I was to the middle of the stream, and try and find where I'm talking about gold. And you will see, I literally was expecting gold to come down. But I told you guys, I said, guys, there may be price, and price did start pulling back up. And there will be a chance where price may come back up to this level structure, and that will be an even stronger entry, a much better entry, and a stronger confirmation that we're looking for a continuation of the downside. However, price, and I mentioned this as well yesterday, price may be so bearish that it might just come up a little bit and then melt, and it did just that. And so the fact that, for example, out of this 150 pip move, unfortunately I got out early at 56 pips. You know, there's a part of me as my emotions where it's like, crap, I messed up. You know what I mean? In terms of like, as a human or a trader, like, damn, like I could have made more. You know what I mean? But at the same time, it's like, as a trader, you're like, man, look at the positive. I made 56 pips. You know what I mean? Like, I did half a lot. I usually do full lot or two full lots. And the fact that I did half a lot, try to manage my risk. It's Sunday, it's a holiday, and I made 56. So it's like, hey, like this is amazing. It's a win regardless. You know what I mean? So that, I would say, Tom, is the best thing, is just don't worry, don't freak out. It is what it is. And then just look at your positives and be like, man, I just made this much. Or man, I got into this trade, but thankfully I didn't lose. You know what I mean? I didn't lose money. I actually, broke even. So once you kind of shift your mindset, that's where you start realizing you're winning much more and you're not being impulsive into getting into trades. And then when you look at trade opportunities and you see that they look juicy and you're like, oh man, like this is a good opportunity, take the trade and get in earlier, because if you get a better entry, it's much better for you to get in on gold. For example, there's another thing that also helped with my trading. For example, you see gold here, right? So if I'm looking at gold, we got in on gold here at the beginning of the live stream from last night, right? And we took this trade. It was absolutely free, guys. You guys could have took this trade with me if you guys already know. And so I took it here because I would much rather, we saw that break of structure here anyways. We saw that rejection here. And overall, I was just expecting sells for gold. But look at this here. It's much better for me to get the entry here than to wait and see gold. Oh my gosh, like this candle here, I'm going to get in on sells here. Look what price did. Price came down further, but what did I know? This is all of last night. Look how much wick, look how much emotions would have been involved, right? But when you get in your entry and you trust your plan and you're like, nope, I'm expecting sells, this is what I'm looking at, and if price comes up and hits my stop loss, so be it. I'm not FOMOing in just because I see a big red candle, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? And so that's why when you see opportunities go down, you see that big red candle, don't freak out. You know what I mean? Exactly. Okay, so we've got a couple of people commenting here. We've got John. Okay, so we've got Tom Brezzo. Are you in Spain, right? No, I'm not in Spain, but I am Spanish. I'm Latino, from Nicaragua. So that is around right beside Costa Rica in Central America. And my wife, she's from Colombia. So we are Latinos. We got the Latino gang. Let's go. Yeah, we're in Canada. So Canada, that's where we're from. We're from the true north, strong and free. Not so free anymore, unfortunately, but yes. We've got Daniel's Trades, Pedro FX, big up from Ghana, right? I'm sorry if I mess it up, but all love. Thank you so much, brother. Jeffrey, which pair is this? This is gold. This is gold trade. Yeah, we took went exactly in our favor, guys. There. So, let's take a look here. So we've got a couple. We've got a couple more comments, guys. Okay, so we've got Mark, think about your next bill and aim to pay that, and then the next one, and so on. There you go. That's right, Mark. That's how you do it. And just focus on, like, you know, some people, for example, they set certain trade targets and they go, okay, you know what, I want to make $100 today, or I want to make $50, right? If you're just starting out, guys, keep it low. Don't expect you're going to make 100K in 1 year or whatever the case is, right? Just keep it reasonable. You know what I mean? Oh, there we go. South Africa. Good, bro. My geometry or whatever is not good. Geography. Let's go. It's hard to know all the flags, you know? It's hard to know the flags, my guy. There's so many flags in the world, and some of them look similar, but okay, I got it. That's now South Africa. There we go. Okay, we've got Iran here. 5-minute time frame for what about buy gold. I mean, you could, but again, remember, you want to manage your risk. At this point, we might get gold to kind of come back down here, create some sort of, I want to see more rejections, guys. Like, look at this candle right here on the 30-minute. You know what I mean? I don't advise it, to be honest. I would probably look at a 5-minute candle, so like 5-minute time frame. So I would want to see probably price for gold break above this level here. Excuse me. And then I would probably see something like this. So if price breaks above, wait for the retest on the, on the 5-minute right here, and then you can get it on bias, right? Because essentially what I would say for, if you want to do like a scalp, essentially it'd be something like this, right? So these highs over here, do you see that? So we're talking about, this would be a nice quick scalp, by the way, but again, there's no guarantee this would happen. You just have to wait for confirmation. Wait for price to come up to this level, something like this. So we'd make a quick 45 pips, and then set your stops nice and tight, probably like 12 pip stop, right? But again, right, that's what I'm telling you. Look how price is already melting, right? We can't just, we're overall, you have to understand that we're overall bearish on gold. So not my overall sentiment, not what I'm expecting for price to do. So we could expect, if we get a break of this structure, guys, we're looking at sells. We're breaking this level right now, so we're looking at sells for gold if we get a break and close below this level structure. And I'm going to point this out right now. Oof. Damn. Do you see how the emotions, guys, start kicking in, right? You're like, damn, that looks juicy, right? But again, remember, guys, patience. Okay, let's continue on here, guys. Give me 1 second. We're getting our chat here spammed. Do you guys mind helping me out, guys? Do you mind reporting this person in the chat box? Just click report if you don't mind. This person spams our chat box every single day. He's gonna get caught or flagged, so let's go, guys. Let's report this guy. We don't want that type of stuff in our community, guys. Welcome, guys. Guys, smash that like button if you understood that explanation for me, guys. And don't be shy, guys. Let us know where you're joining us from. Let me know in the chat box below, guys, where you guys are joining us from. Let's get it. Okay, we got a couple more comments here, guys. I'm just trying to read here. We got Tom. Okay, because odd, I thought was thought fundamentally I am from Oz was going down from 0.76 to 0.71. Now it's 0.63. Yeah, I haven't been able to get in. It's okay, Tom. I actually went over this. So yes, like overall it is bearish, but we are getting a pullback on odd. So keep that in mind. So odd, yes, overall bias is sells. But we have to get wait for that pullback. So that's probably why you're seeing it at 0.63 is because we're getting that pullback, that retracement. So don't worry. I'll keep you guys in the loop for that as well too. So we've got here, can you analyze US30? Yes, we'll take a look at US30, brother, from Kenya. Absolutely. Welcome. Adam, hey. Adam's already part of the family. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Let's go. Done report. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. You guys know that I'm just here to help you guys. I'm not like here to deal with like spam bots and all that type of stuff. It's just so annoying. Like I don't, but you know what I mean? When you're that like consistent, like holy, that's the type of consistency you need to be able to be successful. But don't do it on stuff like that. You know what I mean, guys? Come on. We need to have positivity around the world, guys. Okay, awesome. So we've got Addy here from India. Welcome, Addy. Welcome to the family. Tom Brooks, when I see that dip, I want to sell gold, but do what you say. Exactly. Do you see what I mean? Like literally my emotions. Did you guys see it? You guys, I'm like, damn. You know what I mean? But wait. However, that's good because we are kind of breaking that structure. It is coming back up. If it comes back up, then to me is probably it's going to pull back up. If this wicks back up in this level of structure, this is a major level of structure that you want to look for, guys. So it's key. If gold closes below this level of structure, okay, then we wait for a pullback. Okay, so it did close here, and we get the next candle here, then we wait for the pullback, slight pullback at least to this level range here, and then we look for a continuation of sells. So we're just kind of at a major kind of level here. It could continue going down sells, but again, don't feel bad because there's always got to be an exhaustion phase. So even if we look back in the past, like take a look at this, guys. This is gold, by the way. Look at here, guys. Don't freak out. Look, gold melted, right? You would have been like, God, man, I missed this opportunity. No, you didn't. Look, price came back up to the major level structure, right? It probably took a little bit of time. Came back up around 11:45 a.m. Boom, sell. Look, you didn't miss anything, guys. The opportunity came back again, gave you the opportunity, and look, we would have caught over here if you would have gotten at the higher entry about 104 pips. And again, I'd like to catch higher entries because then you're managing your risk and there's more opportunity for a continuation to the downside and for more profits, essentially, right? So you're managing. See, I think similar situation is going to happen here, guys. I think gold's going to keep melting. Okay, it'll probably come down. Probably come down it's kind of around this range here. I just want to see, because this is a level here too. Could be probably around this level here, but I think that's too low for where it is right now. Probably this level here. Yeah. And then we could expect some sort of reaction, right? So that's perfect. That's what we need. It doesn't matter, guys. Don't freak out, because we want that move. We want a strong momentum because then we get on the pullback and then we profit. Okay, let's continue on, guys. I hope you understood that explanation. If you did, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Don't worry, I'm here with you every single step of the way. And you guys know that, and people that are already part of the family, they know that I'm here to support you. I want you guys to learn. So let's get it, guys. Listen closely. Hey, we've got Anna. Amiga, bienvenida. We've got Canary Islands, Spain. Let's go. Let's go. She's already part of La Familia, which is amazing. I'm super happy to have you, Anna. And thank you for being a part of the family. Adam as well. Adam's already part of the family. We've got Mark from Australia, my friend. Welcome, Mark. Super happy to have you. We also have Tom from Australia. Lots of friends and family from Australia. Beautiful, beautiful. Spain is beautiful. We've got so many places. The world is a beautiful place. Let's go. Okay, we've got Adi here. Bro, which pair will you trade today? Bro, we're in bank holidays right now, so I'm not sure what pair. I'm probably looking at AUD USD, to be honest with you. I like AUD USD. It's looking really, really juicy, so I'll keep you guys in the loop. We're kind of go over it in a second. AUD USD is kind of pulling back right now. We're getting a nice retracement on AUD USD, so we'll see what ends up happening. And then we'll take a look right now, because just give me 1 second, guys. I'm reading all the comments here, and then we'll get started back in the charts here. So we've got, hi, also from South Africa. Where is SA? Are you from, Daniel? Oh, okay. So this is between you guys there. Okay, perfect. Let's continue on, guys, here. What about longer term trades? Where could you have got 100 pips and held over the days? Gonzalo, yeah, chill, bro. Yeah, I know, man. I know this bot is just nuts, man. Okay, so do you see, guys, we're getting that pullback there. So again, we want to see probably a pullback to this level structure. If we get a rejection of this level here, okay, then we're looking for clean sells for gold. Again, we're gonna short gold heavily, guys. If we get price rejecting this level structure, we set like a nice tight stop loss, like 15 pips, and we target the lows. You know what I mean? But we'll see. We'll leave that as is. We'll continue on. Let's take a look at US30. I know that we had some people ask about US30, guys. Let's continue on here. Okay, so we're pretty much at that level of structure that I pointed out from yesterday, from last night, and we are getting a rejection. However, on the daily time frame, we are looking pretty bearish. So to me, this will probably be like a short-term pullback, unless we kind of, break new highs or something like that. But right now we're just on a downwards trend. You can see the nice downwards momentum, and we're just getting a pullback right now, essentially. So what I could expect for US30 is for US30 to come back up to these highs here potentially. If we look at the 30-minute, we could probably get a much cleaner idea as to what we're looking at. So for US30, guys, US30, we're looking for a potential continuation to the upside. It looks like I wouldn't say that's a double top, but it's kind of looking like some little double top formation. Essentially, I just want to see US30 come up to these highs. That's kind of what I'm expecting it to do. We were kind of in this range over here. We were ranging, and then we broke above, and now we're retesting. So we did retest. We broke above this range. We are retesting it right now. This candle is pretty much what's going to dictate what's going to happen at this point. What I want to see is this candle start going bullish. If it starts going bullish, then I would probably enter on a buy for US30. However, remember, guys, we do have our bank holiday, so we just have to trade with caution, guys. Something like this, right? But again, we just have to be very, very cautious, manage our risk, and not just hop in. So we won't hop in anything yet, but that's just kind of my overall bias. This is crucial, guys, okay? Price is kind of coming back down. If it comes back down, breaks back into the range, then there's no trades right now for US30, okay? That's just we're at a crucial level, okay, guys? Let me know if you're understanding that explanation here, guys. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna just read a few comments here. Keep reporting them. Don't want that. Yeah, absolutely, guys. I really appreciate you guys reporting that person there. Keep reporting them. Hopefully, they'll go away. I know they will be caught eventually. So, we've got Andre here. Dr. Andre. Hi, first time here. Do you live streams every day, and what times, please? Yes. So want to welcome you. I don't know if it's Andre or how do you want me to call you, but welcome, my friend. Yes, we are here every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So wherever that is, you can probably just Google it and see what that is with your local time. So 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. And I also do surprise you guys pretty much almost every day in the evenings. So if you guys want to know when I'm live, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also hit the little notification. But when you click the little notification bell, hit all notifications. That way you get notified every single time we're live. Even sometimes I come on the weekends, like Sunday night. Like last night, we took a gold trade live, guys, in our live stream. So also, are you a scalper, intraday trader, bro? Yeah, not a scalper, but you know, like if I do see an opportunity or something like that, I will let you guys know. So sometimes I do, if I see an opportunity, then we hop in, guys. So okay, so let's continue on, guys. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. US30. Welcome to all our new members. We've got a couple new members, guys. We've got our matcha tea, guys, looking like blue skies for today, so I'm loving it. Let's go. All right, guys. Yeah, Tom, click the notification bell. I get it on my phone, won't miss a thing. Yes, it's really important, guys. Like we've got, for example, Tom, like, you know, we've got lots of people from all over the world, from Australia. It's really nice because maybe, like, you know, Tom's busy or whatever, and over there in Australia it's 2 p.m. And we're here at 7 a.m. He gets notified, right? So it's really nice because that way you guys are aware and you're always gonna not miss a live stream. So really important. Okay, so let's continue on, guys. That's kind of what I'm looking at. We are kind of getting that rejection. That's nice. So I want to see kind of US30 push a little bit above, and you know what I mean, maybe get a closure. It might be a bit tight, 30-minute, probably 15 minutes, see what's going on. But overall, my overall bias for US30 is buys. I'm not gonna, like, again, I'm not gonna get in impulsively. I just want to see a push above. Same thing with NAS. Expecting, we are kind of, again, we're still in this range though, so we need to break above this ranging area for a continuation to the upside. Okay, so until we don't get a full strong momentum push, excuse me, I'm not expecting buys yet. Look at that. It's actually looking like a double bottom on the higher time frame. Look at this, guys, double bottom. So you know what I mean, it doesn't have to be a full all the way because we don't want to miss the opportunity, but we want to see at least the 1 hour candle close like above, and then the next one starting to open. That's when you get in, right? It's just a better confirmation. Like me as a trader, like I could probably, like, because I've been doing this for quite some time, I could probably get in now, you know what I mean? And then it's much less risky because my entry is so much more closer to the bottom, and then I'm expecting price to go up, right? But again, just for the sake of trading cautiously, you know, and managing my risk, I'd probably wait for confirmation because we don't know if it's going to come back down to the range, right? We don't know if there's still indecision in the market. You can see even the 15-minute, right? Look at that. Like, it's already starting to pull back down, right? And that's the thing that you guys have to understand, guys, when you're new to trading, is one of the biggest things for me was it was really hard for me to not get in impulsively, you know what I mean? And I teach you guys this because psychology is really crucial when you're trading, guys. As traders, you have to know your psychology, and you have to be patient, and you have to be aside from being persistent and all that type of stuff, but you have to be confident in your setup, in your analysis, right? And so when you have that confidence, but you also have that discipline, and you're like, nope, I'm not going to get in, nope, I'm going to wait, that's when you start seeing results. Because, for example, a newbie mistake I would have done here, for example, if I would have been new, oh shoot, we're looking at buys, boom, I'm getting on buys, and now look, price is already going against me, and you know what I mean? Oh look, well, this is resistance, we broke above, fake out, and boom, look, we got strong momentum, and then I'm gonna get on a buy. No, wait for confirmation, because for all we know, we're still ranging here in a ranging market, and price could come back down all the way here and completely wreck me, you know what I mean? So that's something that you guys have to keep in mind, you know what I mean? And being patient with all that type of stuff. Look at gold. Gold is another great example, right? You guys saw it was melting. What happened with my emotions? You guys saw, I was like, damn, okay, it's melting, no problem. Overall bias was sells anyways, but I'm like, nope, I'm not gonna get in. Why? Well, because a newbie or rookie mistake of me, and it's okay because we all have that, guys. I want you guys to know, when I say new, I've been there before. So that's what I'm saying. Don't feel bad. It's part of learning, guys. A newbie mistake I would have done would have been sells here on the next candle, because while we saw price pretty much go down, right? Look how much it already went against us if we would have gone in on sells, right? And remember, I told you guys, nope, we're waiting for what? a pullback, and we're getting that pullback. I'm expecting gold to come up to these highs up here. Don't go on buys, guys. Don't go down to the 5 minute. Start looking at buys, because you don't know if this is just enough, and gold will probably start going back down, right? But I'm expecting at least a rejection of some sort of an exhaustion price to come up to this level, right? And then we can start selling it, right? So that's kind of what we're looking at. Obviously, this is the 5 minute. You can see a little bit more clear, but we need to see this type of stuff on at least the 15 or 30 minute for us to get a nice clean entry or a potential continuation to the downside. However, if price pushes back up, then that invalidates our trade completely. If gold goes above this level of structure and starts going up, that my overall bias of sells is completely gone. Okay, so you guys have to understand that too, guys. That's something that is part of the thought process. You know what I mean? So your thought process should be like that, is that you also have to understand that you have to be careful, you know what I mean, with all that type of stuff. So anyways, let's continue on here, guys. We've got a couple more comments, guys. Welcome to the family. Welcome to all the family members that are just joining in, guys. Remember to hit the little notification bell, guys, and hit all notifications. Yes, we've got welcome Andre, welcome to La Familia, my friend, welcome. We've got Wolf of Wall Street, my guy right there. Okay, I'm just trying to keep up here with the comments here. Subscribe on the up and go long. Yes, there we go. Jovan. So 7 a.m. in Canada is 14 in Kampala. Yeah, I would assume, I guess. But yeah, that's how, like, the best way, guys, to know is just go on Google. Go on Google and you'll be able to figure out. So Google's telling you 14, it's 14. So probably 1 o'clock, I guess. I don't know. No, 2 o'clock. Sorry, that's like military time. Which is funny because the MT4, MT5s are all military time. It's kind of good to know because you learn how to, you know what I mean, the time here. Okay, Beauty Mafa, hi. We've got Tom Brooks at 11 p.m. now. Wow, it's 11 p.m. in Australia. Damn. SA, do we get signals? I don't really focus on signals, bro. That's not really my focus here. But all the people that are already part of the family, let me know in the chat box. What do we do? How do we do, guys? How do we do with our live streams? You guys know I don't do signals, but overall, what do we do? How do we do it? We're pretty good. You know, if I do see something, I do let you know my analysis. So we have profited live, guys. Last week we had 3 trades that went exactly as predicted. We took 4, 1 went against us, so we had 1 loss and 3 wins in our previous live stream. So, and even last night, guys, we're in bank holidays. Literally, we copped 56 pips. We took 56 pips home on a Sunday just before like on a holiday. So really, really cool, and I let you guys know. So, but my focus is not signals, guys. I'm not here to give signals. You guys know that. Obviously not financial advice as well. I just want to let you guys know that. You guys know that I'm here for educational. I just want to show you guys kind of my thought process so you guys can learn, so you guys could take your trading to new levels. It's really, really important to replicate what I teach, to replicate how I look at the markets so that you guys can also see some success in trading. And I want you guys to be successful, guys. So let's get it. We've got a couple more people, bro. I can't pronounce your name too well here. Eddie, I caught 1K last night. Awesome, Eddie. Was that on our gold trade that we took, bro? Let me know, Eddie. Let's go. Proud of you, man. That's sick. We got Tom Brooks. Price with support and resistance. Yes, that's right. And then we got Adam. Yes, understood on gold. Thank you. Yeah, no problem, bro. No problem. And we got here, bro, just $300 to get funded. I'm struggling so much. It's okay, bro. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, man. We all have a beginning. We all have a start. And I could tell you, like, you know, coming from, and I'm not even, by the way, and I want you guys to know, because me as a person, and I want you guys to know this, I don't want you guys to think I am me. I am me, Pedro. This is who I am. I don't want you guys to think I am someone that I'm not. You know what I mean? So, you know, I'm not going to tell you I'm like, oh, yeah, you know, no. It's not the case. With me, it's full transparency, guys. So you guys know that. Okay, so Eddie, yeah, so awesome, bro. That's amazing, man. Like, and Eddie's actually part of my VIP circle. In my Telegram group, he's part of the VIP, and I called this trade in my VIP group, but I also, again, because I love to share the love, man, I put it in my free group chat on Telegram, and Eddie, literally compared to what you paid for my inner circle group. What did you pay? You pay like $667. I had the price at 67. It's $97, and he made $1,000 last night on a bank holiday on a Sunday night. $1,000, guys. That's insane. Like, you literally paid the membership for like a whole year. It's done. Game over. You're complete. Done. Right? And you know what's funny, guys? The only reason why I created this whole membership, it's not for me. I'll tell you that for sure. Because it requires a lot of time on my end that I have to make sure you guys are aware, you know what I mean? And keep the group going, right? Because there's a lot of involvement with a YouTube channel, and I'm it's so new to me, and it's all like, there's, you know, editing, there's producing content, there's making sure you guys are all good, you know what I mean? There's a lot of time of my time that goes into it, you know what I mean? And I'm more than happy to do it, guys. You know, my time is also, you know, it's valuable, you know what I mean, in terms of like, it requires effort, you know what I mean, and stuff. So Eddie, super happy for you, brother. You pretty much paid for your membership like all year round. Done, complete. And we've got so much more trade opportunities coming along, guys. So look forward to seeing you guys join the family. And guys, if you don't join the VIP group, like I said, I only created this for people that are maybe looking to learn a little bit more in depth. That's fine. Come on live. I want you guys to come live. I'm not here to sell you guys something. I just want you guys to join the family. Come on live. It's free to join, guys. And come every day. Show up. You'll be able to see how I trade, and you will learn, guys. I'm telling you, you will learn off of just the live streams alone. Okay, so happy to have you guys. Smash that like button, guys, if you enjoy this explanation. We are getting a nice clean pullback on gold. Let's continue in here. We've got Chitu here. How many trades takes per day? It depends, brother. It really depends on, you know what I mean? It really depends on what the market is offering. Remember, right? The market, you can't force trades, okay? Again, I'm teaching you guys your thought process and your mentality. I want you guys to learn to think how, we as traders think. And so the main thing is, you can't, as a trader, you can't be thinking, I need to milk out of the market. I need 100%, 2 trades today. No. Think of it this way. I want to take max 2 trades. I'm not taking more than 2 trades. That's it. If another third opportunity is there, don't get in. Stick to your plan, guys. That's the most important thing for success in trading. When you're disciplined, you know what I mean? For example, with my weight loss, you guys saw the pictures of how I was before, guys. I reached 265 pounds, guys. 265. I lost over 45 pounds, and I came down for the wedding. Before we left to Mexico, I was 209. Right? But what was that? It was my discipline. Every day, guys, I got home, I was freaking hungry, guys. You know what I mean? Like, even in the evenings, I wanted to, like, with the wife, like, watch a movie, eat some chips or something, or, order some pizza, you know what I mean? But what happened? I stood my ground. I said, nope, I'm going to grab my black tea. Sometimes I would go to Starbucks. I don't recommend, there's a lot of sugar, but I get it just black tea. I say, hey guys, I want a black tea. I make it myself. I make the same black tea myself. But when I didn't have time, I would just go to Starbucks and say, hey, I want a black tea, Trenta with no sugar, no water, no added water, and whatever, right? And so yeah, this thing, man, this thing helped me so much because it suppressed my hunger. So when I would just be like, it would be like 7 p.m. when everyone's like starting to eat or whatever, I'll be like, no, I'm good. I got my tea. I'm good. But what was it? It was the discipline and the decision. Obviously, I gained weight, guys, by the way. I'm back to like 226 because Mexico screwed me, man. Mexico, all inclusive, it screwed me up. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? I'm trying to go back down. But the idea, the moral of the story is the discipline. Is that decision where I was like, nope, I'm not eating. I'm going to continue to do my intermittent fast, and I'm going to stick to my plan. I'm not going to eat at nighttime, and I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning and break my fast, midday, 1 o'clock, 12 noon, whatever, right? So that's how I started seeing results. Guys, the link to the VIP group is in the video description. You could kind of click here. I'll put it here. I usually don't put it here in the chat, but I'll put it here for you guys if you guys want to join the VIP. And then we also have our free chat, which I'm going to put in here as well. And again, guys, like I said, that VIP inner circle, it's mainly focused if you really want to see a difference, guys, a change. Like, look at Eddie joined my VIP. He's one of my first ones that just joined. I just opened this group. I had a lot of people just ask me, they're like, do you have anything, or like, you know what I mean? I don't have a course, guys. I just focus on my Blessed Traders Academy, which is a free group. That's my focus, and everyone knows that. And my VIP inner circle, which is my main two focuses in my live stream for you guys. Okay, so again, from the bottom of my heart, I'm telling you guys, you know, if you do want to take your trading to the next level, cool, perfect, join. If you don't have the money for it, that's okay. I don't want you guys to feel like you know what I mean, you have to buy into something, because that's not my objective. Come live, show up every day, you guys will learn, trust me. And those of you that are just looking to take that, maybe you need that little extra push and you want to understand how I look at the markets, kind of like, you know, all that type of stuff, then you can join our VIP circle there. So there are the links below. Look forward to seeing you guys there. Howie, fire emoji, let's get it, bro. Tom Brooks, yo, wow, Eddie seems like a long way away from me. Hey, Tom, don't worry, brother. You're gonna get there, okay? You're gonna get there. Eddie's been in my VIP group from the beginning, from I think it was like around September when I opened it. So he's learned a lot, and he's been able to see how we take trades and how we look at the market. So that's amazing, Eddie. Very proud of you, brother. That was our gold trade we took yesterday. Beauty Mafa, well done, Eddie. Let's get it. Yes. How do we join VIP? All the information's there. Anna, Pedro, what time is there now, and what time are the lives in the VIP? So the VIP, there's no lives in the VIP. Essentially, with VIP, I send you my analysis. I do breakdowns, any videos like that I'm looking at, like any charts that I'm looking at, I'll let you know. So basically, my thought process, how I look at the markets, if I'm looking at anything, I send it through VIP. So for example, the gold trade that we took last night, it was a bank holiday and Sunday night. Before I even came on the live stream, and before I even commented anything, I was basically, I sent that signal. I said, guys, I'm looking at gold sells. Boom, here you go. Here's my chart. Here's my breakdown. Here are my targets. Yeah, so that's kind of like how I do it, Ana. Basically, yeah, ahorita la hora es la 8 de la mañana, 8:09. So it's 8:09. I just said that in Spanish for those of you that just don't know. Hey, we've got Andre here. I'm currently fasting for today only, and I'm fast 1 day a week for health benefits. Hey, Andre, that's how you do it, bro. You know, fasting is really good for you. And again, I do it too for health benefits. That was the main thing was for weight, but then after I did it for like health too in general. So it's really good. Intermittent fasting is good, and fasting like even once a week is really good for your body. You know what I mean? It cleanses everything, your cells. You know, you go into ketosis even though you're not doing a keto diet per se, but your cells start renewing. It's insane. You guys should look into it at least. But VV, we've got my sister-in-law. Good morning, Kunis. Super happy to have you as always. She's one of my biggest supporters, and I love her very much. She knows that. So really happy to have her here join us as well. She's learning. Ana, okay, hora de New York. Sí, hora de New York, así, Yeah. No sé, Ana, what time is it over there in Spain? Because it's Europa, and so we're talking probably, you guys are probably 5-6 hours ahead. Probably like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Anyways, guys, welcome, guys. Smash that like button if you understood that overall explanation on gold. Guys, we are getting that pullback that we want, which is amazing. That's what I want to see. And then we'll kind of continue on, guys. And like I said, it is bank holidays, guys, so we have to manage our risk if we do get in on any trades. And then we also have to understand that price right now could be, a little bit iffy, right? Where, banks are closed. So, okay, so look at this GBP AUD, guys. Can you imagine if we would have gotten a buy here? Can you imagine that? Right? That's why it's important to mark off your levels properly and understand we were in a range, we broke above the range, but the pullback's not done. And that's why I said, nope, not yet. Let's wait for a pullback. Let's wait for price to come back down to this level structure. And again, look, even without my fib, without the fib, okay, hold on. Without the fib, look, We're just looking at focusing on basic market structure, guys. Look, price is coming exactly to this level of structure, and watch, when price comes down here, we can expect for sure is price is going to react at this level. Now, is that 100%? No, it's all about probabilities, guys. But look at this. Even if we do get in our trade here, and let's say we kind of come down a little bit lower, and we set our stops just a little bit below, let's say a 20 pip stop, nice and tight, and we target the highs again, that's about a 75 pip move. Like, obviously we could probably target a little bit above, because if we look above here on the left hand side, look at this level here, right? We got some resistance here, right? So even if we target these highs over here, that would be about 100 pips, guys. 100 pip move. And just to be safe, let's move our stop loss at 25 pips. Let's do 25. Yeah, because we could get a wick, right? We gotta you know, manage our risk there. So that in itself is a 3.9, almost 4 risk reward ratio. Okay, and again, that's just targeting the highs again. You know what I mean? That's just targeting price coming back up to that level. Insane, guys. That's amazing. Okay, is there any other pair, guys, you guys want me to look at? Obviously you guys can see all these pairs. I don't really trade all those pairs. I do it more for you guys. So if there's anything that you guys want me to look at, let me know in the chat box below. We'll take a look at it right now live, now that you guys have me. But yeah, I usually trade gold, US30, NAS. I like GBP AUD, actually. GBP AUD USD is good too, and GJ for sure. EUR USD, let's take a look at EUR USD. Anyways, we'll come back. EUR USD, we're getting a pullback, exactly as what we thought. And so what I want to see is price pullback. Reason why are we expecting a pullback? We'll look at left-hand side, guys. So you always want to look at left-hand structure. Where are we? Well, you can see that in the past, we've rejected this level of structure multiple times. We've got support, support, resistance, resistance. A little bit of a fake out there, but then look, price came back down and respect, excuse me, respect this level of structure. And then you can see that price has come back to this level. Look at our arrows, guys. Look, boom, boom, right? So now we're expecting for EUR USD to potentially come back up to these highs. Is it going to come exactly to these highs? Probably not. Probably like a little bit here, we'll get a wick, and then we'll start getting an overall. If we start getting bearish sentiment, then we can expect a nice continuation to the downside. And that's kind of what I want to expect for EUR USD. Now, another thing we can do, and again, that doesn't mean that, okay, because we're doing this, that's 100%. We could draw another trend line down here, right? And look at where price could potentially go. Again, trend lines doesn't mean that it's going to be 100% or that's where price, what price is going to do. But we can understand just the overall direction, right? So when you see traders do all this type of lines and stuff like that, remember that some traders like to overcomplicate things. You know what I mean? You don't want to be overcomplicating your charts, guys. You want to keep it as simplified as possible. That's why I teach you guys this, is to do it as a more simplified approach. That's my main focus, guys. And if you're looking to take your trading to new levels and you're looking to learn at a more simplified approach, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. Let's get it. Smash that like button for me, guys, if you understood that explanation. And let's get it. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at NAS100. We've got a couple people here. Sorry, guys, I'm just reporting this bot in our chat box. I don't know what's going on. This guy keeps going at it. Okay, so, and then we've got, so Pierre, welcome, Pierre. Let's get it. So both gold and GBP AUD reached goal, but still best to be patient. Yes, 100%. Don't worry. Don't get into it impulsively or anything like that. Patience is key. Okay, patience is key. Don't worry, Tom. We got this. So far, we're already winning for the week, guys. We took a nice gold trade last night. We're already winning, guys. Let's keep it up. You know, but remember, quality over quantity. I always preach this, guys. You guys know that. Quality over quantity. Let's focus on quality over quantity. Okay, so I'm going to clear the charts here again because this is now starting to look all messy. And we're going to go to the higher time frames here. And then we'll come back to EUR USD. But overall, look at this. Right? Is that looking much clearer now? Okay, let's take a look at NAS100. again, I'm expecting for NAS100 to break above. Excuse me, guys. Oh my god. As you guys knew, I was sick all of last week. And even when I was sick, you guys saw that I came live. Oh my god. I came live. I came through. Usually, and I usually recover pretty quick, which is insane. My god. I'm gonna get more water, actually. Okay. Welcome to all our new members, guys. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get more water, guys. I feel like I'm dying.
All right, guys, we're back. I'm feeling a little bit better. Not sure what happened, guys. Just a dry cough. I was sick all of last week, and I got better, but it's just what I got left was a dry cough after all this. So, okay. So yes, thank you so much, guys. I'm drinking lots of water, and I just had some Buckleys as well too, and some honey. Should be a little bit better. Okay, so let's continue on, guys. Welcome to all the new members, guys, that are just joining in. We are live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So appreciate you guys very much. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you get notified every single time I'm live here every single day, guys. I'm also here in the evenings as well too. So the evenings I do surprise you, so that's why you do need to hit that notification so you get notified and know when I come live, because it's not every day on the evenings. Okay. Okay, so sorry guys, this person keeps going at it. I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I can block them off the channel or, yeah, we'll see. Okay, let me just read through the comments here, guys, and then we're gonna continue on and see what other trades or opportunities we could look at. So lots of indecision with gold right now. That's fine. Again, look, price is coming back up. Price is coming back up, so we're just gotta wait it out, guys. Okay, remember, we need to stick to our plan. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. Just trying to read here the comments. Drink lots of water, cold water. Thanks, Sandos. Really appreciate it, Sandos. Tom, yeah, thanks for battling through, Pedro. Good on you. Hey, no problem. No problem, bro. Anytime, you know, I just try to push through, guys. You guys remember even like the live streams last week? I was like done. I was gone, and I was still alive. I was just like, as you guys can see, I was just done. But we still managed to, you know, catch amazing trades, and we also still managed to do the live. So really proud of myself for pushing through, and again, that's part of the consistency, guys. So, and I did it for you guys, you know what I mean? I just wanted to help you guys as much as I could, and I wanted to push through and be consistent and still show up. So awesome. Sharek here, how are you, bro? I'm doing good, bro, doing good. I just got a dry cough, you know. Last week I was sick, so I've just been stuck with this dry cough for like 2 days now. It just comes in like randomly. So Andre, GM, let's go, bro. Let's go. We got it. We've got Sharik. Let me see here. GBP US. I think we went over this one. Overall sells, but I need to see it's pulling back. Look how this is insane, guys. Look at my arrows here, right? But do you see how it's like following through with my analysis, right? So my overall expectation, oh sorry, this is AUD USD, my mistake. But oh, it's the same thing. AUD USD, I'm looking for price to come back up. Sorry, I'm gonna go back to GBP US. GBP US, I'm actually looking at sells. And it seems like if we look here on the 1 hour, let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, it looks like it's, let's put it this way, guys. It's not the most cleanest analysis or like cleanest chart right now. But what I'm seeing is it's just a lot of a lot of range, a lot of ranging happening here. Now the thing is that I'm expecting GBP US sells, because I see a lot of weakness in the market. Look at these candles. Look at this wick rejections here. Look at that, massive wick rejections. We kind of broke below. Now we're just kind of retesting, except the retest just looks super choppy. So it's not my overall ideal trade that I want to be taking. Again, remember, we are in holidays, bank holidays right now, so it's not the best trade, I would say, you know what I mean? So, but I would say overall my bias, if you're wondering what my expectation is to the downside. That's my overall bias for GBP US. I'm expecting it to probably come down to these levels over here, which I have highlighted. You guys could see here for GBP US. That's a level structure that I'm kind of looking out for the British pound against the dollar. So now GBP JPY, same thing. I'm expecting a continuation to the downside unless we get a break above
yeah, I'm just overall biases looking for sells. Yeah, it's just really choppy and rangy today, guys, unfortunately. You know what I mean? That's why I'm not like letting you guys know, but you guys know if I see an opportunity, I'll let you know. See, we're just ranging, and this is GJ, right? So I mean, anything below, and I already had this marked off, you can see, right, sells below this level structure, right? But again, it's not the ideal trading condition you want to be done trading condition you want to be in, right? You guys know that I like to get into trades that are much more probable, right? Some traders will be like, oh, just get in, right? You make like probably like 5 pips. Oh, okay, that's it, guys. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we killed it. You know what I mean? Like, do you want that, or do you want like, no, we killed it. We took this amazing trade with Pedro and we made 45 pips. We made 50 pips. You know what I mean? Or we made 20 pips. Sometimes it's okay if you make 20 pips, but it's much better to get in a trade where you're like, hey, like this is much more probable. Like this is nice. You know what I mean? Like, hey, like, you know, we only managed and we managed our risk, and you know, we took this trade, and you know, we only risked 12 pips. You know what I mean? And we made 60 or 50 pips, right? So it's like much better than just trying to get into something quick to make a quick cash or quick pips than to, like, you know what I mean? You want to look at the long term, guys. Focus on quality over quantity, and I teach this every single day, guys. You guys know that. So guys, if you enjoyed that explanation, smash that like button for me. I really do appreciate it, guys. It does support the channel. Okay, I'm going to read over the comments here a little bit, and then we'll continue on to the next trading pair, and then we'll see what's going on. Okay, Antawi, we've got to get well soon, bro. Hey, appreciate it, brother. Really do. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Appreciate the love, guys. Really do. Niha, buy or sell now. I'm not sure what pair you're talking about, but if you're talking about the GJ that we're looking at, neither. We're not looking for buys or sells because we're in a ranging market, consolidating market, however you want to call it. Everyone calls it differently, right? But just wait, guys. Remember, patience is key. Okay, so let's continue on here. Pierre, can you continue your thoughts on NAS100? Yes, I'm just gonna do a review again, and we're gonna take a look at gold and NAS100. Okay. Andre, AUD JPY, can you take a look? Andre, we'll take a look in a second. Okay. NAS100, yeah. Gold, okay. We'll take a look at gold. So let's continue on, guys. Okay. GJ, we're waiting for a breakout, okay? That breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside, okay, guys? Okay, so we're gonna take a look at NAS100, and then we'll take a look at gold. Okay, so we are getting a breakout above. Remember, I told you guys we're looking for a potential breakout of this level of structure. So for NAS100, we're looking at buys, guys, at this point for NAS100, but I want to see this candle close on the 15. So I want to see candle close on the 15, and we can look for buys on NAS100, and then we can look at NAS to come up to these levels up here. Okay, it's my overall bias on NAS100 as of right now. Also, take a look at this. NAS100 on the 30-minute and 1 hour looks like a double bottom. So we are kind of breaking that neckline, which is good. I just want to see this candle close bullish, right? Even if we get an entry like that's fine. Close bullish, and then we can look for a nice continuation to the upside, right? Because we could get some sort of fake out potentially. Or if you're willing to take the risk, then you can get in now. It's up to you. Just manage your risk. Okay. Stop loss just below here. 220 pips. But again, I need to see that candle close. Remember, guys, quality over quantity. And also, we need to manage our risk, right? We've got a bank holiday right now, so. Okay, let's continue on. Next one we were looking at was gold. Let's monitor gold. Yes, we got a pullback on gold. Let's go. Okay, so take a look at the higher time frame for gold. You know what I'm looking at, guys, here? because gold has been super bearish, okay, overall direction has been bearish, I'm expecting some sort of a pullback. So price could continue to go down further if it respects this level structure. If it doesn't, we should expect some sort of a pullback for gold. Okay, although the overall bias is sells, and I'm expecting gold to probably come back down even further, I do have to keep in mind that we are also at a major level structure. Okay, do you see that major level here? We got resistance, 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 a little bit of a fake out. Right, we got the clean range, we came down, we got nice juicy sells, but I should expect at this point probably some sort of reaction. If price fails to go down further, we are looking for price to come back up and at least pull back up to these highs for a continuation to the downside. Okay, so that's my outlook on gold, guys. Okay, and just remember, guys, it's Monday, it's holiday, it's a holiday, and we've got an entire week ahead of us. So don't feel like you have to get on a trade today, guys. Okay, please, 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 always remember, patience is key. Okay, so I hope you guys understood that explanation on NAS100. If you understood that explanation, smash that like button for me. Also as well on gold, guys. Understand why gold right now is really, really crucial. I'm going to zoom into gold right now and explain what I'm telling you, okay? So basically, if we go to the higher time frame, let's go up to the daily, just so you guys understand why my overall bias is like this. So look at this closely, guys. Look at gold right now. What are we doing with gold right now? What does this look like to you? We are trending to the downside, okay? We're in a downwards trend, okay? So we came to this high of this trend line here and we rejected it. You can see that it's a touch point here and it's respected it and it came back down. However, okay, we are at a pretty major level here of support right here, right now for gold. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, and sorry guys, because it's not really that clear, but I hope you guys can see what I'm seeing here. If we look here at the 4-hour time frame, each candlestick represents 4 hours of movement. So we know that it's quite significant. So take a look at this. We've got resistance, 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 a little bit of a fake out, but resistance here, right? Price came through, and now price is retesting this level of structure. It's a major level of structure at this point, okay? So now that we see that, take a look at this. We had a double top, price came up to this level of structure. It was a downwards trend, right? And it rejected, which is good. But we are coming to a level of structure where we do have to keep an eye out. Could gold continue to go down like I was kind of mentioning to you guys? Yes, potentially. But we could potentially expect some sort of a pullback, especially after a 200 pip move down to the downside, which was our gold trade from yesterday, which we took, right? So we should expect some sort of an exhaustion at this point, or to gold to pull back at least to these highs over here, and then a continuation to the downside. So we have to excuse me, we have to be aware of that. So if we narrow it down to like the 30-minute, and remember I told you guys we might get some rejection. We are getting a rejection, which is good. But again, at this point, knowing that this is kind of a major level structure, what could happen is price could come back up here, okay, to these highs, reject it, we can get on a quick sell, but it'll probably come back down here and then create some sort of a double bottom formation. So just have to be aware of that, guys, that this is a higher risk potential trade setup for gold, but we just have to manage our risk because we are at this major key level, guys. Understand this, please understand this, guys. We're at a major key level of support, okay? So we could get price to come back up, right? And it'll take some time because look how wicky it is. This is, you don't want to get in like this. You want to see some sort of I'll show you what you want to see. You want to see something like this, right? Where price came back down, we had that strong momentum push, we had that pullback, look at that huge wick, and then look at this next candle. Look how bearish that was. Boom, get in, done, melted. Right? That's what you want to see. You don't want to see what we're getting right now, and that's fine. This is kind of the idea as to what what type of indecision market we have right now. Price is very indecisive right now, and this is not the type of market condition I want to be getting in. So I want to stay out of gold right now for now and see what ends up happening, okay? So that's my overall bias for now, guys. And again, remember, patience is key, and you guys want to manage your risk, guys. And always, 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 guys, trust me, when you're consistent and you're Discipline is what I want to, and I've taught you guys this over time and time. You want to be disciplined traders. You want to discipline your mind. You don't want to just get in a trade just to get in, guys. If it's not there, it's not there. The market's not there, it's not giving us a trade, that's all good. We move on to the next and we look at other opportunities, right? So hope you guys are understanding that. If you understood that trade setup or potential analysis, just my overall overview on gold, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's get it. Let's destroy that like button, guys. Let's get it to 50 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate all the new members, guys. Members that are just joining in, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys, and hit all notifications. As you know, we're live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So make sure you guys hit the notification bell, okay? We've got Erkan, you look at GJ yet? Yes, we did. We looked at GJ already, Erkan, but we can kind of circle back and see. So we are kind of in a ranging, consolidating market right now. So GJ is just consolidating. Overall bias on GJ, though, is we are looking at sells for GJ. That's my overall outlook. We are also kind of at this, major level here. So that's something to keep in mind. So if we get a nice breakout below this ranging market right now, because we are ranging right now, so we want to see pretty much my analysis here. We want to see price break below, come back, retest this level of structure, and then a continuation to the downside, okay? So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at for GJ, guys, right now. And again, we'll see what ends up happening. Guys, let me know any other pairs you guys are looking at. AUD, same thing. Look, boom. Price came down exactly as predicted from yesterday's live stream, and we're expecting some sort of a pullback to these level highs. Can expect price to come back up to these highs over here, potentially, even probably down here, before a continuation to the upside, right? So, but again, like I said, we're in a holiday right now, guys. Canada, our banks are closed, everything's closed, so we might not get that pushback up right now. There's no volume. Yeah. USD CAD, this trade went exactly as predicted, guys. That's awesome. Awesome. Looks like a double top here for USD CAD. Looks like this is kind of like a level structure here. These are just fake outs. You see how we can point this out? Fake out. This is now a major level structure, looking like a double top formation, right? And so now we can start looking for sells below this neckline. We want to see something like this, guys. You guys with me? Let's go. Welcome to all our new members, guys. Let's kill it. We're gonna kill it, guys. It's our focus. I want to make sure you guys are also successful in trading. I want you guys to be able to understand, guys. I want to help you guys as much as possible. You know what I mean? So let's get it, guys. Guys, if you're understanding this explanation, smash that like button for me, guys. This is literally AUD CAD. You guys are seeing, USD CAD. You guys are seeing me do my analysis and how I look at the charts, guys. You guys are, trust me, you guys want to learn and understand that. The most important thing is replicating that and being able to see, okay, how is Pedro looking at the charts? You know what I mean? So when you guys see that, you're gonna understand, okay, this is how he looks at the charts or whatever, right? So it's really important for you guys to just pay close attention, look at how I look at the charts, and go from there. Okay, so we've got a couple more people joining in, guys. Welcome to the family. We've got Zachary. Hi, Fax, cool, thanks. Hello, sir. I'm new sub. Hey, welcome, Zakir. You can call me Pedro. The sir is funny, but it's all good. I know it's out of respect. So we've got back hits prediction on gold. We just went over gold, but I'll go back over it because I know a lot of people are just joining in. AUD JPY, Andre, we'll take a look at AUD JPY for you, brother. Give me 1 sec. I know Andre's been asking about it too, so let's take a look. I don't think I had AUD JPY here. We'll add it in. Start fresh. Daily. This is what I'm looking at, guys. This is how I look at it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to all the new family members, guys. Really appreciate you all very much. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys, so you get notified when we're live. Let's get it, guys. Okay, guys, what do we see here? What do we see? Let me know in the chat box, guys. What are we looking at right now? We are looking at a break of structure, guys, to the downside, right? We are looking at a break of structure. You guys with me? Let's go. Let's get it, guys. We just saw AUD JPY break this level of structure, nice and clean, break and retest on the higher time frames. Okay, so my overall bias is what? We were what? What is this? This is a low. Okay, this is a higher low. Okay, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high. What is this? This is now officially not a new higher low. This is just barely breaking in right now. So this is a crucial point. Anything below this level of structure at this point is sells for AUD JPY. Okay, so we are breaking below, and we can expect probably AUD JPY to continue to go down a little bit more further. Probably I could expect it to go down to these lows down here. Okay, and then we can expect something for price to do something like this. I'm gonna show you in a second, because we already got the retest. Something like this. Okay, to the bottom area over here. Boom. You see what I'm saying, guys? And then this is the daily, by the way, and we narrow it down to the 4 hours. So if we know that we're kind of breaking this level of structure, we're retesting it right now. We can go down to the 30-minute, look for rejection of this level of structure right over here. And if we get a rejection of this level of structure, we're getting on heavy sells for AUD JPY. You guys understanding this, guys? If you guys are understanding it, smash that like button for me, guys. And let me know in the chat box below if you guys are with me. You guys understand that TP1 would be targets of this lows over here at 55 pips. And we're only risking 17 pips, guys. Come on. This is amazing, guys. Look at this setup. Already right there. Boom. Let's get it. Okay. AUD JPY. Let me know if you guys understood that explanation on AUD JPY, guys. Okay. Okay, so you guys understanding that? Yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Smash that like button for me, guys. Really do appreciate it. Does support the channel. Yes, Andre. Yes, thanks. Thanks, man. Okay, no problem, bro. No problem. I got you. I got you. Sorry, guys, if like I don't respond right away. It's just very difficult because the chat, like, it keeps going, right? So it's like trying to teach you guys, but also I want to respond to some of the questions. NAS going up, yes, we'll take a look at NAS shortly. Ezra, gold, we did take a look at gold, but overall we're at a major level of support for gold. That's kind of where we're at right now. Adi, bro, USD CAD on trade. We'll take a look at USD CAD. I haven't seen it yet, I don't think. Akron, boss, let's go, bro. Let's get it. Dude, yes, bro, short on AUD JPY. Okay, perfect, guys. I hope you guys are understanding that more and more. My whole objective, guys, is for you guys to be successful in trading, guys. That was the whole objective of my channel, to be honest. I started this channel with that objective in mind, to help you guys as traders, beginner traders. Is I want you guys to be successful. Being able to give back is huge, guys, because when I first started, like literally six years ago, when I got introduced to trading as a whole, it was hard. It was freaking hard, guys. I'm telling you. And the thing is, all the information, and you guys know by now, if you guys have been following me or watching my videos or whatever the case is, you guys know that I like to simplify things as much as possible for you guys. And also, like, I'm not here, like, there's so many indicators and stuff like that that people overcomplicate things. I'm trying to simplify and dummy down the stuff so that everyone can understand it. You know what I mean? Because the problem is, a lot of people, everyone has an edge. That is true, because as a trader, I have my way of trading and my style of trading that maybe for you, we're looking at the same thing and we're just looking at it differently. But overall, the overall outlook and the overall result will be the same, right? So everyone's really, really different on how they look at things. But let's take a look at USD CAD. So USD CAD, again, guys, that was my overall bias. You guys could see this is the neckline looking like a double top on the higher time frames. If we look even on the day 4 hour here, What does this look like to you guys? This looks like a nice clean double top, but do you see how I pointed this out? This to me is a fake out, fake out, fake out. This is the major level structure here. And we can see that price has rejected this level structure twice. We got a nice double top formation. And so I want to see price break this neckline of this double top, okay, for a nice clean continuation to the upside. Price will probably come down here. Why will it stop around here? Well, because I look at the left hand side, guys. Again, this is stuff that I'm teaching you guys. This is gold. Look, boom, that's a level where you can see that price has respected in the past. We've got support over here too. We've got support, resistance. So price could come here, react. It's probably gonna start pulling back from this level, and then what is it going to do? It's going to come back down to the neckline here, okay, and it'll come back up here potentially. Again, everything is probabilities, guys. Nothing's 100%, but this is how we're able to catch these trade opportunities. Okay, price will probably come back down to this level, pull back to this level structure, and if we get rejection of this level structure, that's a strong confirmation that we can look for a continuation to the downside. Not only did we also reject this higher time frame here on the higher time frame at this major key level, so that's another strong confirmation that we can look for a continuation of sells for AUD USD, USD CAD. Okay, you guys understanding that this is again, this is all like just like, you know what I mean, just teaching you guys straight knowledge, straight education here. I'm not just trying to, you know what I mean, I'm just trying to teach you guys as well. Welcome guys. Welcome to all our new members here. We've got Mod Ziani. Welcome, has subscribed to the channel. Welcome, my friend. Welcome to La Familia. Super excited. Yes. La Familia. That's right. We're Spanish here. We're you know, supporting. We've got Ekran. Welcome, my friend. Welcome to La Familia as well. Welcome to the family. Appreciate you very much. We've got Wolf of Wall Street, the man himself, man. I love that movie, man. I freaking love that movie. That guy's a G. Obviously, it's Leonardo DiCaprio. We know that. But you guys get, you know, Wolf of Wall Street. Jordan Belfort, man. He's a G. Shout out to Jordan if you're watching this ever. Anyways, let's continue on, guys, here. So that's kind of what I was looking at. Let's see oil, guys. Let's see what's going on with oil. So we were expecting some sort of a pullback with oil. Oil seems very, very bullish. We've broken this level of structure. However, if we get a break above this level of structure for oil, because if you go back, look, it is a area where price has respected in the past. If we get a break above that, we're looking for buys, and we could probably expect, because we did break the downwards trend, we could expect buys probably to these highs. That would be our next target level for oil, around $96 a barrel. But again, remember, if we look here, 1 hour, right now we could be forming some sort of a double top for price to come back down, right? So you just got to keep that in mind, guys. You know what I mean? Like, as traders, we also have to look at all possible scenarios, all the probabilities in the market, and what we can expect. You know what I mean? Kurt, you're speaking a different language, my friend, so I don't understand what you're saying. Unfortunately, I don't understand. I mean, I could use Google Translate, but I don't know. I don't know what you're saying. If you could translate it to English, that'd be great. Yes, we've got my sister-in-law here. Let's go. Let's get it. Welcome to all our new members, guys. Really appreciate you all very much. Okay, guys, so we're going to continue on, guys. If you understood that explanation on oil, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's get it. Let's go. So we got Euro USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD, what's going on. And we're going to go up to the higher time frames, guys. We're going to kind of take a look at the chart. So we are looking at a downward trend with Euro USD. And then I'll keep you guys in the loop as to what we can expect. So let's get it, guys. So Euro USD, we're in a downwards trend, guys. So we got that rejection of level structure on the 4 hour, okay? And so we are kind of at this level of support, okay? So we have been trending to the downside. However, this is a level structure where we can see that price has been rejecting. You can see it right over here, okay? We've got some sort of a rejection of this level where price is holding off this level of support. If we break this level of structure, we could target these lows over here for Euro USD, okay? And then if we break below this level structure, then we're looking for a continuation of the downwards trend. However, we could expect some sort of a pullback, and this pullback for Euro USD could be to these highs over here, potentially. So we have to keep that in mind, guys, that price needs to exhaust. Price needs to take a break and pull back, okay? That's totally normal. That's just how it is. That's how the market moves. We could expect price to probably do some sort of an exhaustion, okay? And then some people, if you want to use trend lines, you can. It's totally up to you guys. You can mark your levels around here, right? So we can expect some sort of an exhaustion, some sort of a pullback on Euro USD. And then if we get a rejection of this level structure, potential continuation to the downside, okay? So we'll come back to Euro USD either way, and then we'll see what ends up happening, guys. Gone fishing 211. Let's go, bro. Just subscribe, bro. Where are you located? We're in Canada. We're Toronto, so southern Ontario. Yeah. Where are you from? You gone fishing, my guy? We're from the true north. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Appreciate you all. Thank you for those of you that are just joining. Welcome to the family, guys. Appreciate you all very much. Guys, we killed gold, guys. We killed gold last night. 154 pips. It's nuts. We called it on our live stream last night. Yeah. Let's go, guys. All our new members, guys, that are just joining in. Guys, I don't know if you guys are subscribed. For those of you that aren't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing out, guys. You're missing out on a ton of value. But, guys, it's absolutely free to join. It's free to join. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, guys. That little notification bell will notify you guys when I'm live in the morning, basically. So sometimes I'm live in the evenings. I've been noticing, and I know I've got a couple family members here that have joined that also can't come in our live streams in the mornings, unfortunately, and that's totally fine. So I try to give you guys best of both worlds, and so I do come on the evening sometimes, but that is not something that is 100%, right? I'm 100% always. You'll always find me here in the mornings, always at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But on the evenings, you won't know until you're actually subscribed and you have the notifications. Okay, guys? Okay, we got a couple more people joining in here. Cartoonist Nazar, good morning. Wish you luck. Hey, brother, thank you so much. I wish you all the best as well. Blessings to you. Gone fishing 211. Let's go. I don't know your real name, so I'm just going based off of your username. Okay, bro. I'm in Montana, but I also trade London and US session. Nice. That's awesome, brother. So we're neighbors pretty much, because like we're on the edge here in Canada where we live. Basically all of us, like the majority of the population, we all live at the very edge of Canada, because we're so big, right? Like our country's so big. We have so much land, but we don't have as much people. So all of our people, like we have a lot of people. Like our population's big. Like Toronto alone is like, I don't know how many, like 35 million. Like, but what I mean is most of our population is on the edge, borderline with US, which is funny. So, yeah, that's like New York for me is about probably like a drive, like probably 7-hour drive. Probably around, 7 hour drive, and I'll be in New York. Buffalo's like just like not even like just crossing the border, you know what I mean? Okay, so we've got here, should have known your channel earlier. It's me, Pat. Hey, it's okay. You know what? Welcome to the family. It's all meant to be. You're here, which is the most important thing. So welcome, welcome, welcome to the family. Appreciate you guys very, very much. Okay, guys, so we'll continue on. So what we're looking at EUR USD, we're getting that pullback like I mentioned. So we could expect something for USD, something like this. I'm going to draw it out for you guys. So some like where price will come up, probably react around this level here, and then come back down, continue to push down further. We just need some sort of rejection when price comes up to this level, because we can see we've got resistance, a little bit of resistance, and support, and a little bit of resistance here. So price will probably come up similar to here, and then boom, if it respects this level and rejects, then we can expect a continuation to the downside for EUR USD. Okay, oh shoot. I'm gonna just leave it on here so you guys can see. Okay, so that's kind of what we can look for EUR USD. USD JPY, let's see where we're at. Do you guys remember I told you guys we're looking for a pullback because we need to retest this level structure, right? So again, remember, right? Rookie mistake would have been, hey, let's look for buys, because we came here, we had that strong momentum push. Look, strong momentum push, we've broken a major level of structure here, okay? And we got the pullback. However, look at my arrows here. I'm expecting it to continue to go down further because I need price to retest at least this level of structure here once more before we get a continuation to the upside. Also, another thing we have to consider is I'm not looking at buy setups until we see heavy rejection of this level of structure and then a continuation to the upside, right? But right now, to me, this is just ranging. So USD JPY again, obviously I think it's because of the holidays, but we're just stuck in a range, okay? So we need to analyze the and see what price ends up doing based after that range. What do we look for ranges, guys? Let me know in the chat box below. I've taught you guys this before. You guys know this. I teach you guys this. What do we look for in ranges? When the market is consolidating or ranging, let me know in the chat box below. What do we look for, guys? What do we look for? What do we look for when we're stuck in a range, guys? There we go, guys. We've got Sunil here. Breakout. That is correct, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm just trying to read here. A lot of people are commenting, so I'm just trying to keep up here with the comments here. AUD USD. We'll take a look at AUD USD. I'm actually curious about it too, to see how it's doing. Saeed, hey, welcome, Saeed. Welcome to the family. US30 buy or sell. We'll take a look at that, Cherry. Give me 1 sec, all right? NAS100, same thing. We're waiting on that. I think we were looking at a breakout to the upside, so like a nice pullback. So let's get it. Let's go. Sunil, breakout. That's right, Sunil. Let's get it. Kayer, buy. Tom, Brooks, yes, breakout. Eddie, breakout. That's right. Awesome, guys. Awesome. We're learning, which is the most important thing. Gone fishing. Another pair. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, so that's kind of what we were looking at there. We're going to take a look at NAS100 again, just for those of you that just didn't see it. What I was expecting is a pullback, guys, to the upside. You guys can see that price is moving exactly as predicted. The only reason why I'm not getting in is because we are on bank holidays, guys, and I do not want to risk my account. Again, I don't want to get in a losing trade and start off the week that way. We already killed Sunday. We had an amazing gold trade, and as a trader, you guys know that I teach this to you guys, right? Remember, we have to be disciplined and we have to stick with our plan. You know what I mean? I don't want to trade a holiday because it's too risky, unless it's almost like unless it's like dead stupid and you're like, okay, this trade setup is completely perfect. You know what I mean? Then okay, probably I'll get in. But when we're talking about NAS100, like we're talking about a 250 pip stop loss to potentially make over 1,200 pips, right? But again, we're already up. If you would have took it, we're already up around 420 pips. It's too risky right now, you know what I mean? But that's my overall bias anyways. Trade at your own risk. You guys are more than welcome to do whatever you like, but this is my overall outlook, and you guys know that you know, we focus on quality over quantity. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at same thing. US30 Same type of move, guys. What we're expecting. Look at my levels of structures, guys. Look how I have everything marked up. Look, take a look, guys. If you guys are new and just joining in, guys, make sure you guys join the family. But take a look at this, guys. Straight fire. Look at my analysis. We were here, double bottom formation on the higher time frame. Boom, came up here. I said what? Buy setups above this level of structure. I already had it set up here, guys. Boom. Price went exactly as predicted, and it's already reacting at this level of structure. Resistance area here. Okay, so don't worry, nothing to worry about. Remember the psychology, guys. Remember the psychology, right? Traders, discipline, consistent, right? I'm teaching you guys this, right? Nothing to worry about. On to the next. Much more opportunities always in the markets, guys. Okay. Okay, let's continue on, guys. Here, we've got a couple people here. So not clean screens here. Are you able to see the screen? Is everything good, guys? My mic is good. Everything's good. You guys can hear me. It's not freezing. Let's go. Mohammed, welcome. Mohammed, brother, welcome. Okay, gold buy or sell. We'll take a look, brother. We already took a look at gold. Beauty, Mafa, gold buy or sell. Again, guys, I already kind of went over gold, so I'll look over it again. But right now, gold is looking like it's just ranging right now, guys, at this point. You know what I mean? And this is the type of market you want to stay away from. I do not want to be trading gold, but overall kind of outlook on gold is looking bearish. But again, we're also at a major level of structure, because if we look back, remember what I told you guys, look, this is a major level of structure. Look, resistance, 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 resistance. You know what I mean? It's an area where price is struggling to push down further. But remember what I told you guys, we may see gold come back down to these lows here. So I would just kind of stay away right now. It's kind of like very, very wicky. Price could come back down and then come back up, right? Look at all these wicks, right? So it's not like it's selling right now. So I would just stay away from gold. It's just ranging at this point, guys. Okay. And this is also the 15-minute, and that's super, super choppy to me. But overall bias, I like I said, we're at a major level of support. And so like after such a strong push to the downside, guys, realistically, we need to see some sort of a pullback. Look how much price gold went down to the downside. We took a gold trade here. We profited over 56 pips. And in fact, I told you guys we can expect a continuation to the downside to these levels of over 156 pips. After my analysis, guys, we could have made over 156 pips. But take a look at this, guys. Look at this here, right? A lot of resistance, guys. So it is a major level of structure, and we've been pushing to the downside for quite some time. So if anything, gold's going to probably wick back down a little bit, and then we can expect probably gold to hold this level of support in range for quite some time, because we got a strong momentum push after almost 200 pips pretty much from these highs over here to the down lows here. We gotta wait for an exhaustion, guys. Price needs to exhaust, needs to range for a little bit. So that's my overall outlook on gold. Okay. We've got more people commenting here. We're gonna take a look at AUD JPY and AUD USD, and then we'll go from there, guys. Anna, AUD JPY, perfect analysis. Thank you so much. It's me, Pat. Perfect. Yes, let's get it. Can I ask gold, please? Yeah, we just went over gold, my friend. Gold, where we just went over gold. Gold daily, yeah, I mean, we just went over here. Mohammed, understood. Thank you so much, brother. Salam. Hey, brother, thank you so much. Appreciate it, brother. Okay, so let's go on here and look at daily again. Look, it's a support level, you know what I mean? So my expectation, to be honest, with gold, like, it's bearish. Yes, it is bearish, but that doesn't mean that it's going to continue to go down further, right? We're at this crucial point where we need to realize that gold could react to this level and push back up once more and reject this level structure up here. And sorry for the lines, guys, because I'm really trying to show you guys what I'm looking at here, right? Let me just clear the charts here, because so you guys fully understand. Okay, so look, this is the daily time frame on the gold, right? But overall direction here on the daily is bearish, right? So I told you guys we're just waiting for a pullback though. Okay, so we need to see that gold has been ranging to the downside, trending to the downside, right? This is a new lower high. However, we are at a major level here where price is going to react. We need to understand that gold may react to this level. However, it could pierce below if it's super, super bearish. But after a push like this, we can expect something like this. This is what I'm expecting, just so you guys understand. Look, gold came down, look, and then what happened? We got 1, 2, 3 different candles where price came back up. Look, couple candle pattern formations, and then price melted again. Look at over here, right? We got bearish sentiment, price came back up. That's not a good example there, but you guys get the point. You know what I mean? We need to have some sort of exhaustion after a push like this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 daily candles that were bearish. We need to expect price to probably come back up a little bit, at least to this level structure, and then we can expect a nice continuation to the downside, right? That's just my overall outlook. Overall, though, I was expecting just overall bearishness for gold, even the 4 hours closing bearish. So if we fail to hold this level of support, then we can expect a straight continuation to the downside, and gold will completely melt. So again, short term, you guys saw my marked off levels here. I was expecting gold to go down a little bit further, and you can see it here. Okay. So yeah, that's kind of my outlook, guys, on gold for now. This is an area that's crucial. If gold breaks below this level of structure, then we're looking for clean sells, and I'll keep you guys on the loop either way. Okay, hope you guys understood that explanation. Let me know in the chat box below, guys. Put some fire emojis. Let's get those fire emojis, guys, going in the chat box, guys. If you enjoyed this, guys, let's get it. We got Jan63 here, first time here. Hello from Sweden. Jan, welcome to the family. Appreciate you very much, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. We've got Auto Bliss here. Great explanation, Pedro. Thank you. Let's get those fire emojis, guys. Put a fire emoji if you enjoyed this live stream, guys. Really appreciate it, guys. And we're gonna take a look at my AUD USD analysis as well. Again, guys, we're getting a nice clean pullback. We had a break of this level structure. We were ranging. Look at my analysis, guys. Look at this, guys. This is straight no-brainer, guys. Look at this. Look at the lines, right? Price came, broke below this ranging level, this ranging area, guys. Look at this. Price was ranging for quite some time. We got that strong momentum push to the downside, and now we're getting that rejection, right? We're getting that retracement back to this level structure. I'm expecting AUD USD to come back up to these highs. That's my expectation. And I mean, price could do anything at any given time, but this is my overall analysis, guys, and outlook on AUD USD. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, guys. Either way, you guys know that. Guys, also for those of you that are just joining in, guys, make sure you guys join my Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing family through there, guys. Make sure you guys click the link. It's in the video description below. You'll see the link to my Telegram group, guys. I have a free group chat where you guys can join the family there, and we share our analysis through there. And I also do have a VIP inner circle. That VIP inner circle, guys, I'm not trying to sell you anything, you guys know that, is just basically for people that really just want that kind of step-by-step process and kind of just really see my outlook, my thought process, kind of what I'm looking at, and I do share everything through there as well too. So let's get it, guys. I appreciate all the love and support. You guys know that I'm here live. I try to provide as much value every single day for you guys. Okay, so we got a couple more people joining in. Sorry, guys, that's awesome. Lots of people here in the chat, just trying to keep up here. Tom Brooks, we've got great analysis, learning more every day. Unfortunately, after midnight in Australia, so see you tomorrow. Hey, Tom, awesome, bro. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. We've got a couple more people here. Thank you. Great explanation. Perfect. EuroCAD first, green candle on the 4 hour. Your thoughts? Okay, we'll take a look at EuroCAD, no problem. AUD USD, yes, that's our analysis. Fire, Howie, fire, Marcus, fire. Let's go. It's me, Pat. Let's go. Anna, let's get it. Bro, can you add pending orders live to Telegram and the widget in live? We'll see. In terms of, like, for example, the inner circle, I do let you guys know everything, exactly how, and we could do like setups like that. So I'll let you guys know if we could do that, but you can if you want. Again, guys, I just share my analysis. Okay, I don't give out signals or anything like that. It's just my analysis so you guys can learn and profit with me. So let's get it, guys. I appreciate you all very much. Addy, bro, okay, perfect. Welcome, Addy, by the way. A beauty Mafa, let's go. We got the peace sign, let's get it. And then Big Joe, let's get it. Good day, Pedro. Yeah, please help me with AUD JPY. Yeah, absolutely. What's going on with AUD JPY? So AUD USD, again, its price is going exactly as we're expecting it, which is good. And again, we want to get on heavy sells once price comes to this level structure. Okay, that's the idea, is we want to look at heavy sells above this level of structure when we get rejections. We want to see price come up. You can see my arrows. Okay, we want price to come up to this level, and we want to see rejection. If we get heavy rejection in bearish candle formations, we're looking for shorts, guys. Okay, that's the idea. We're looking for shorts. Welcome, 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 guys. Couple new members just joining the family, guys. Appreciate you all very, very much. We're gonna take a look at AUD JPY in a second. Give me 1 second here. Yeah, AUD JPY, same thing. Look, guys, you know, we got that break of structure, like I was saying. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Yeah, awesome. So we got that break of structure, and I'm looking for AUD JPY sells at this point. If we look at the daily, look at this, guys. Look at my analysis overall. We are kind of very bearish on the daily. 4 hour as well, looking very, very bearish, and we are kind of pretty much getting that rejection at that level of structure. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Nice. You know, this could be a good potential entry at this point, to be honest, for AUD JPY, and it's a really good. Ideally, I'll be completely honest with you guys, I'm probably going to wait and see for price to come back up once more, at least to this high, and then I'll get in. I'll let you guys know either way on my Telegram, but overall I'm going to wait for price to, it could melt at this point, but again, it's a little bit too risky. I don't know if I want to risk that much, because this entry is a little bit lower now at this point. If it comes back up, we're talking about 20 pips going against us, plus whatever our stop is, so that's about 45 pips. So let's see what ends up happening, but overall I just want to see rejection of this level. That's a 20 pip range, and then we can get a nice continuation to the downside. So if we get a nice entry above at these highs over here, we're looking at a 67 pip move, guys, and this is just the beginning. This is the 30-minute time frame. Look how much room we have to the downside potentially for AUD JPY, guys. Look at this move. We're talking about over 207 pips. That's a lot for this pair. You know what I mean? So lots of great potential to the downside. We just have to always be patient, guys. And I'd rather wait and get a much better entry than to get in right now impulsively and then get price to go against me, right? So yeah, and obviously there's more risk involved, right? The higher the count, the more risk your money you're risking, right? So for me, my account, for me, you know, if I'm doing a full lot, sometimes I do 2 full lots, right? And price goes against me, like we're talking, you know what I mean? If it goes against me 25 pips, we're talking about $250 risking, and that's assuming it goes stop loss, right? So, and then if I do 2 full lots, it's almost $400 I'm risking just right off the bat, right? So you don't want to be doing that type of stuff, guys. You want to wait. Back hits, can we get the link for your Telegram group? Yeah, link is in the video description, guys, for my Telegram group. You guys can find it through there. And then yeah, look forward to seeing you guys join the Telegram group, guys. Let's get it. Is NAS rejecting? Let's see. Let's take a look at NAS. Yeah, like I said, it's probably retesting, to be honest. We go to the 15-minute, it broke above this level of structure, and this will be a perfect entry for NAS100. So right now it's rejecting. So what I would do, this is amazing, by the way. What I would do, this is what I would do, guys. I want to show you what I would do, is wait for price to come down. Okay, it'll pull back, come down here. I want to see heavy rejection of this level. I want it to support this level. I want it to hold this level of support. If we see price holding this level of support here, okay, guys, and we see rejection of this level, okay, keep this in mind, guys. This is really serious. This is really important, guys, for you guys to understand. Because we broke above this range, okay, we were consolidating. We're in a consolidation market for a second. Price gave us what? Strong momentum to the upside. Now what are we expecting? A retracement, a retest of this level structure over here. And if we get price to hold this level of support, then look, my overall bias, that would be a murderous entry, guys. An amazing entry level for us to get back into the market, guys. Guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. We got Hot Dusty 3000. Welcome to the family. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it, guys. Family's growing. But not only that, guys, just appreciate you all very, very much, guys. Appreciate all the support. If you guys understood that explanation, Jan63, welcome to the family. Jan63, just subscribe to the family, guys. Also, make sure you guys hit the notification bell, guys. I can't stress that enough. If you guys want to be notified when we're live, obviously I'm live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. I'm always here, but in the evenings, guys, this is crucial. Like last night, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a pre-market analysis. Welcome, Mohammed. We've got Mohammed just joined the family as well. if you guys want to be always in the loop and know when we're live, you guys have to hit that notification bell, okay? And hit all notifications. Let's get it, guys. Let's play hi. Hey, let's play PGMI. He said hi. Okay. Welcome, brother. Welcome. So let's continue on. Guys, let me know any other pairs you're looking at. And then we can get you all taken care of. It's already 9:23. I'm probably gonna call it a night. Call it a day for today, guys. I have to do some stuff. Just going with the wife, going to my in-laws. So we're gonna have an amazing dinner, guys. It's Thanksgiving, so it's Thanksgiving. We had some time with my parents last night, and we're also going to my in-laws today. So we're gonna have just sharing with the family. You know what I mean? Have some time. So yeah. Also my nephew too, guys. We got my nephew who was just born, guys. It's really a blessing, guys, to be able to share time with family, and it's always nice, guys. It's always nice to be thankful, for another day. Do we have a sell chance for Euro or GBP? Potentially, but we'll see. We got last play. Do you remember me? No idea, brother. There's so much people, I can't remember all of you guys. I try to remember as much as I can. So, but appreciate you all for joining in. So let's get it. Wifey there. Let's go. Put in the hearts. Let's get it. Jan63, Pedro, what's your opinion about prop firms? Would you recommend it? I really don't. I like to just kind of stay out of it. I really don't. I just focus on I just do my thing, you know what I mean? I focus mainly on my own thing, Jan. So there's so many things, like there's ICT and stuff coming out, different strategies and all this type of stuff, and approaches of the market. What I teach, and mainly my main focus for you guys, is price action. Focus on price action, focus on what I teach, guys, and you guys will see results. I'm telling you guys, if you guys follow through with everything I teach, there's so much information out there, in relation to that, Jan, you know what I mean? So just make sure you be careful where you get your information from, because there's so many different stuffs out there that say, follow this, follow that, and you just got to be careful where you get your information from. So yeah, so my focus here, guys, is to help you guys with your trading as much as possible. So I appreciate you all very, very much. I hope you guys have had fun here in the live stream today. I'm gonna be leaving in about 5 minutes, so thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Let me know in the chat box. We got Euro CAD, I think. Hold on, my chat just reset here. NAS100, guys, we got a good potential trade setup lining up. I'll let you guys know in the chat box. In the Telegram group, if there's any nice clean trade setups for NAS. Okay, so we're looking, price is selling at this point. We'll see what ends up happening, guys. I will keep you guys in the loop. Guys, if you've enjoyed this live stream, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does help with the algorithm, guys, and it helps support the channel. So I really do appreciate the love and support, guys. Let's get it. So let's continue on here, guys. We're gonna take a look at EuroCAD. We got a request for EuroCAD. I don't think I have it here. I gotta clean the charts. Let's clear the charts here, guys. Let's get it. It's looking right now, just off the bat on the 15, looking bearish, but yeah, okay, 4 hour looking bearish too. It seems like it's failing to hold this level of support for EuroCAD. We might get like a clean continuation of sells for the euro and the British pound as well, so that's a possibility, guys. Welcome, guys. Appreciate you all very, very, very much, guys. Let's get it. Couple new members just joining in. Yeah, so if it fails to hold this level of support, just that alone, without even me looking at the overall direction, guys, is pretty darn bearish. Also, I do see it actually pushing below, because look, what's the direction, guys? We are trending to the downside. Okay, so my overall bias for EuroCAD is a continuation to the downside potentially. However, anything above these highs over here, we're looking for buys for the euro. But we are at this crucial level, and it seems like it's failing to hold this level of support. It's just looking very, very weak to me on the 4 hours. So even if we go on the 1 hour, it just looks like it broke below and it's retesting right now. So this is a crucial level right now for euro CAD. Depending on what happens here, if price is able to hold the support, then we can expect continuations to potentially to the upside, probably retest the highs once more, maybe probably come up to these highs. That would be my next level here around at 133.857 if price is able to hold this level of support. However, it does look very, very bearish, and again, like, we're just going to consolidate after a strong move like this too. You can expect a consolidation. You saw this wedge pattern formation here too on the 1 hour. If you go to the 30 minute, you can see much more cleaner, and we got a breakout. You can see price was narrowing in. I'm just going to point this out like this, guys. You see that? And then price followed through after a push like this. Price started to form this wedge, and then boom, price broke below, right? So that's kind of my outlook on euro CAD, guys. Let me know if you understood that explanation on euro CAD. That's kind of what we're looking at, guys. We've got Mark Bernald. When will you come back? I'm new. I'll probably come live tonight. I will be coming on live tonight again to surprise you guys as always. Pre-London session, probably around 10:30, 11 p.m. 10:30, 11 p.m. we'll be coming on live again, just to see if we have any opportunities in the markets. But I'm always live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. So best advice, guys, just hit that notification bell, hit all notifications so you get notified. That's my best advice, okay, guys? That way you guys know when we're live. We've got Zul Kernan Hater. Thanks. Beauty Mafa learning. Hey, awesome, bro. Awesome. Tell you guys will learn so much just from coming on the lives, and you know, my inner circle has been also learning so much. We've been trading and just, you know, following through with how I look at the markets. It's really important to you know, follow through and replicate those things, and you know, how to look at the markets is really important too. So Ronan, thoughts on gold right now? Gold, you know, let's take a look and see where we're at with gold. So yeah, so I was expecting gold to come up to these lows here, and it seems like it has come lower, which is good, and it's looking pretty bearish. So it seems like we may be getting that continuation to the downside. We were expecting a sell for gold, but again, I told you guys, overall bigger picture is to hold this level of support at this point. If it's able to hold this level, we'll see what ends up happening. It's really choppy. We were kind of seeing like a nice clean break and retest, which is what we got. But again, I personally didn't get in because to me it was just a little bit too risky. We got bank holiday, all that type of stuff. But you guys could see it actually did go in our favor. If we would have got in here on the highs, that's about 61 pips. Gold, we had an amazing trade last night on gold. I think it cleared my charts, which sucks. But anyways, we had an amazing gold trade last night. We profited over... for those that went, like I took my profits at 56 pips, but for those that would have stuck through it, we were looking at well over 156 pips. I think we got it around here anyways. So yeah, anyways, that was a good trade setup from last night for gold, and right now we're just expecting gold to potentially hold this level of support if it holds this level of support. So we're kind of at a major level right now, so we need to see what gold does. If gold continues to go down further, I'm looking for sells, and we can start targeting the lows over here for gold. And so I'll keep you guys in the loop either way as to what ends up happening for gold. But I want to see gold pierce below. I want to see a strong momentum push to the downside. However, we've been bearish for quite some time for gold, right? So we want to see gold, you know, at least pull back. We need to see some sort of retracement or at least some sort of range and hold of this level of support before we can see probably price come back up and then continue to go down further, right? Overall bias though for gold, like if we look at the higher time frames, we're looking at sells, right? So we're in a downwards trend. All right, guys, I hope you guys understood that explanation on gold. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah, US30 buy limit. Yep, yeah, you guys can do that, but always manage your risk, guys. Please manage your risk. Yeah, Nasdaq sells. Yeah, it was. I think it was going back down. Again, remember, guys. Remember. Right? What I said. We are retesting this level of structure. Okay. If Nasdaq does not hold this level of support, look at my analysis, guys. It pulled back exactly as predicted. If it does not hold this level of support, I am not looking for buys, because at this point, what we were looking at, and again, right, was for a pullback longer term, right? If we don't get that, okay, it could create just some sort of a wick, that's fine. But if we don't get that, then we're looking for sells, because then this to me is just a fake out at this point. Okay, and then we're looking for our bias changes, because the only way our trade setup or our analysis here is valid is if price is able to hold this level of support. That's why it's crucial. Okay, and if it doesn't and it breaks below this ranging market here, then we're looking for sells. The only way I'm going to really look for sells here on NAS is if it breaks below here. I'm not going to get on sells here, guys. Even if it's like we're in profits and it ends up melting, as a trader, I need to stick with my plan and I need to manage my risk as much as possible. Okay, price needs to hold this level of support for buy setups above this level of structure. If not, it's not a buy. Okay, it invalidates the trade setup. You guys understanding that? Let me know if you guys are understanding that. Okay, if you guys would have gotten on sells here, because obviously I knew price was going to come back down. You guys could see my arrow there. I knew it was going to come back down. You could take higher risk trades like that. You know what I mean? You can, but you just have to manage your risk, guys. And you have to really, really be careful, okay? So we'll come back to this later tonight. And if there's anything I see, guys, I will let you know. And we'll go from there. So we've got a couple of people commenting here. We got Naz, appreciate it. Ronan, okay, yeah, no problem, bro. Appreciate you guys. Naz is heavy sell, yeah, 15-minute. Charik, stop. What do you mean stop, bro? Who are you talking to? Khaled, what about USD JPY? Let's take a look at USD JPY. I'm actually curious for USD JPY and see what's going on. Guys, if you enjoyed that explanation, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's get these likes to 100 before I leave. Can we rack it up to 100 before I leave? About 5 minutes ago, but I'm here. I'm still here for you guys. Guys, let's smash that like button for me, guys. Really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. We'll take a look at USD JPY here. We've got Khaled here asking. We'll take a look at it, bro, because I'm actually curious as well. We were expecting a pullback, and then we'll see what ends up happening with USD JPY. And again, like I said, we're in a ranging market right now, so it's retesting the highs of the range right now at this point. So anything above this range breaking, so if price breaks above, let's say it just doesn't want to push down below, that's fine. What we want to see is what you want to see for USD JPY. If you get that strong momentum push, perfect. Don't try to get the breakout. Don't get the breakout. Wait for the breakout to go up, then come back down, retest this level structure, okay, and then get back in on buys. Got it? You guys got it? That's the idea, okay? It looks like it's starting to push back up. We just needed to close above this level structure here. We need USD JPY to close above this level structure. Okay, you guys got that? This would be invalidated at this point, which is fine because we didn't get in on any trade there. Okay, we're just doing our analysis, guys. Clean. Look at that, clean setup. And then we kind of mark our levels here, and then we start looking for potential buys. Okay. That's kind of my outlook on USD JPY, guys. If you guys are understanding that, let me know. Smash that like button. Let's get it. Khaled, thanks, mate. Let's go. No problem, bro. Anytime. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Yes, we're at 72 likes, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it to 100. I know we can do it, guys. I know we're capable. Ben Sabri, thanks, bro. What do you think about gold? Gold again. We're kind of at a major breaking point here for gold. It seems like it is not holding this level of support, which is good. So like I said, for gold, what I want to see, let's take a look. At least the 1 hour, I want to see gold. I want to see gold break below with a strong momentum, which it looks like it is. And then we'll get on our retest. Don't worry, guys. We'll get on our retest just like yesterday. Boom. Gold will probably come to this level here. Sells. It'll probably be heavy sells. And then we'll wait for the retest and then get in on sells, okay? So lots of great potential trade setups. It's just we don't want to be taking high risk trades. And obviously you guys could see that this was a level where I was looking for sells. But again, I didn't want to get in because it's a little bit too risky. We are on bank holidays as well too. So, I mean, it's just a personal thing, guys. You know what I mean? I just want to stick to my plan. Looks like we are looking at sells for gold. But again, manage your risk, guys. If you do guys plan on getting in on that push to the downside, we are breaking below this level of structure. And that is just a continuation, confirmation of to the downside. Okay, guys? VV, let's go. We got my sister-in-law. Appreciate it. Davin, she knows what's good. Auto Bliss, let's go. We got the fire emojis, guys. If you guys understood that explanation, drop a fire emoji down in the chat box. Let's get it. Okay, Dave teaches here. Says why heavy sells? We're not looking for heavy sells yet. It's basically at a major level of structure here. So what I'm seeing, again, guys, this is my personal opinion. What I'm seeing here, guys, is basically price holding up this level of support. But it seems if we go on the 4-hour time frame, you guys will see what I'm telling you. If we go on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that it's at a major level right now. So if gold fails to break below this level of structure, you can see resistance, a little bit of a fake out resistance, and look where price is right now. So right now price is retesting this level of structure. Okay, not only that, I'm looking for gold sells. If we look at the daily, right, we profited on gold last night on our live stream, guys, right? It went down 156 pips. Okay, look at this, we're in a downwards trend. Okay, price has respected this level of structure. You can see, look, we got lower high, we got a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? But I'm expecting after a push like this some sort of an exhaustion. If gold fails to hold this level of support, that's fine. That's a continuation to the downside. We trade with the trend, and we trade the markets as it goes. However, I did mention if price is able to hold this level of support, then we're looking for price to come back up, probably retest this highs over here, and then we can look for a continuation of sells. We're not looking for buys for gold, like in terms of, like, these are counter trend buys, by the way, but we're not looking for buys as to like the overall trend changing for gold until we actually break these highs and break this downwards trend, right? So why am I looking at potential sells? Well, I'm looking at potential sells because now I explained the higher time frame here. And so if gold does close below this level of structure, close, guys, I'm not saying sells right now. If gold closes below this level of structure, then we have a nice strong momentum push to the downside. Then that's a confirmation that, hey, gold could come back down to this level of structure down here. Why did I mark it there? Well, because this is a level where price has respected in the past. Okay, and then this is where price could come back down and react, start reacting, start pulling back up. Okay, and then we get on heavy sells above here if price respects this level of resistance. All right, guys, let me know if you understood that explanation. Smash that like button, guys, if you understood that explanation on gold. That's straight fire, guys. Let's go. Let me know if you understood that explanation, guys. Really appreciate it. Let's get it, guys. Now, I will mention this, guys. I will mention this. Gold could come back up and wick reject this level. And that's what I've been saying, is that gold could hold this ranging area and then do the pullback that I've been mentioning. And that's why I'm saying I'm not getting in on gold, because I need to see what's going to happen. Okay? Let me know, guys, if you understand that, bro. I love from India. Hey, bro, appreciate the love. Appreciate the love, man. We got lots of members as well too from India. We've got a couple people that they're already part of the family, so I really appreciate you. Big Joe, fire emoji, let's get it, bro. Let's go. Jan63, fire emoji. You guys know, you guys already know. That's kind of how I look at it, you know what I mean? I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to understand everything as it goes, right? So I appreciate you guys very much. Okay, guys, that's it. That's a wrap. I really appreciate you all very much. If you enjoyed this live stream, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit all notifications so you get notified for all of our live streams. Also, smash that like button for me, guys, if you enjoyed the live stream. Also, follow me on all my socials. You guys can follow me on all my socials on Instagram at PedroFXOfficial, or on TikTok at PedroFXOfficial, and on Twitter as well, guys. But I'm mainly on Instagram and a little bit more now on TikTok. So Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram at PedroFXOfficial. Also, guys, click the link in my video description to join our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community of traders in our free Telegram group, guys, and it's also free to join. Also, those of you that want to join our VIP, you're more than welcome to, guys. We have an amazing community that's growing there as well, too, for traders that are just looking to take their overall direction to their trading to the next level, guys. So appreciate you all very much. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. We've got Dave Teaches. I'll show the summary of gold to my stream in a few. Hey, Dave, appreciate it. Welcome, Dave. Welcome to the family. We got a couple new members just joining in too. We've got Buddy. I missed the last name. Sorry, it just came off. But welcome to the family. And Dave, I hope you understood that as well too. And really appreciate it. Really appreciate the love, guys. All right, guys, I will probably surprise you guys tonight, but it'll be later on because, like I said, we do have a family get together. So it is Thanksgiving and it is bank holiday. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys later tonight. Bye for now.